Hello guys. Hello, hello, hello. Come on, Hooks, send it already. Send it. Send it, Hooks. Good morning, Mash. Good morning, Mash. Send it already. Super slow stock. Super slow. You got in at $1? Okay. Yeah, it's super slow, isn't it? I like what it's doing, but it's very slow. I think it's beautiful, but slow. Beautiful, but slow. Which is annoying, you know? You want stuff to break out and go boom skis, but oh well. Good morning, Gail. Good morning, Jody. Good morning, Alan. Nemo. Good morning, Mash. Good morning, Virus. Thrust. Good morning. Jameson. Ayo, ayo. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Roberts. Hello. Hi, guys. 78 million. That's why. That's why. Yeah, the chart looked nice, but just yeah, that bigger float might keep it from going boom skis like we wanted to. Let me see. Have they done a split? They have not. So they have not. Oh well. So might not get as a boom ski of a move as we would want, you know. So interesting. Mullen puts. Yeah, Mullen had news this morning. Something about deliveries. Something about deliveries. S- uh, nah, nah. Here goes a retest kind of. TGL with some news this morning. TGL. Okay. Let's see. Uh, let's go, Jameson. Let's go. Uh, let's go. See, that's very exciting. No, 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 no. No, Jameson, thank you. I never looked at the float for Hook. I wasn't expecting the float to be that big. Good morning, Bernard. Good morning, Dave. Musty. Good morning. Good morning, Jeff. Thank you for smashing the like. I wasn't expecting the float to be that big. I think that ruined it for everybody. I think that ruined it for everybody. But again, if it can stay above that 95 cent, the at the bottom of the range, maybe that's okay too. But yeah. Anyways, there goes PRZO with a bit of a curl off a demand zone 160. Not too bad. Not too bad. And then let me zoom out here. Good morning, Doug. And then you had that crazy stock SMFL, Smart for Life. That thing was up 230%. Market isn't even open yet, and it's still holding the damn gains. They are, yeah, yeah, yeah. The charts. Good morning, Maggie. Good morning. Let's see. I don't know why I like the. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Edit stream. We need something else then. We need something else that looks curly and ready to go boom skis, you know? Something else. Uh, just check the scanner here. So these two are kind of doing nothing. ANNX looks like it's double bottoming at $3.80-ish, so that's not too bad. S&P, ooh, we spies back to yeah. Did we get data? Oh yeah, we did get that data. Yep. Yep, these guys were ready for it, you know. They crashed the market yesterday just so they could set this up. Just so they could set it up. Criminals. Criminals, and Tesla's back above 251. Nice pop. Everything pop nice. There goes para zero. PRZO. PRZO. Uh, PRZO. Uh, It's like a chicken feeding. Good morning, Paige. Richard, good morning. Frank, yes. ARQT, Jeff, good morning, good morning. With set of monies, but you can average down on bags if you want, Jeff. That's how the business works, though. You know, that's just how it works. yeah, no, PRZO looks good. See, we mentioned this yesterday. Like, we like what PRZO is doing. It just took way too long until the market closed, right? Well, and it actually rallied after hours, which is good. So yeah, I like that this thing was staying above $1.10 yesterday. So that was good. That was good. Why do I play? Why do you play along? I don't know why, Jeff. I don't know why. You know better. Good morning, Street Vibes. Sam, are you Simon, right? Are you good to go in Discord? Are you connected? Connected? If you're not connected, then it's always the email. The email that you're trying to use to connect doesn't match the email that you're paying with on YouTube's. That's 99.9% of the time. That's the problem. That's the problem. Anyways, not yet. Okay, yeah. Watch the video I sent you in Discord. I sent you a video to watch to connect. Alrighty, so you have to follow the instructions in the getting started thing, and then you should be good to go. Just make sure you're using the right email. Alrighty, looks like we're back to struggling on 102 for hook, right? It's that super low, it's that big float, right? So we pushed up to 108, but then yeah, the float is the problem. Good morning, Queen. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let me look at the gainers here. Pre-market gainers. So crazy name number one, SMFL. These guys had news this morning. I think he posted the news in Discord, right? So that thing did really well. I think the news was something along the lines of an acquisition, right? So yeah, a letter of intent to acquire state-of-the-art manufacturer of vitamins and supplements. So this is Virus's company acquiring some other company, supplements and vitamins. And then the stock said boom skis, right? Again, this is why I say, like the news really is, it's just the thing. Because no way in hell that vitamins and supplements takes a company from like this to 200%. Market isn't even open yet. So, and again, if you watched the video on how to play pre-market movers, you would know, right? So first of all, maybe don't touch this, right? This is the initial hype. This is that hype move, right? And then they panic sell all the way back to the abyss, right? If you FOMO into this when news comes out, there's a good chance you're going to sell at the bottom. Well, guess what though? When we go for round number two, oh my goodness, that's Christmas, right? Round two is usually when I FOMO, right? Round two on the breakout is usually when, as long as we stay above it, right? Round two is what I'm looking for. This is when the thrust comes in, and you're like, oh yeah. To me, round two is always better than round one. So that's what I always look for. Alrighty, so when news comes out, you're like, but Blaze, what does this mean? I'm like, I don't care what it means. I'm just waiting for round two, though. If it doesn't come, then it doesn't come. I don't want to be put in a position where I'm having to decide which name out of 10 will actually be the pump up for the day. I'm not interested. Alrighty, so that one's done well with supplement news, which is nice. It looks like we're back above 102 for Hook. Again, this thing looks nice. I like what Hook is doing. I just don't like the float anymore, Jameson. Jameson ruined it. Ruined, right? So hopefully you can find like magic out of somewhere with a lot of volume and just go boom skis because it's a cheap stock, you know? Because it's a cheap stock. It's going back up, right? Like we know what the levels are for this stock, right? We know that this is the bottom for now. At the bottom of the circles, if we can stay above the top circles, it's boom skis. Next resistance is 108, right? So, but if that thing had a smaller float, oh my goodness, we would be all over this. All over this. Anyways, we might still be. As long as we stay above 102, I don't mind. And then 108 next resistance. Do you think attack is done? It has a good run this morning. You're in at $5. I'll take a look. Exactly, Josh. Exactly. Yeah, like it's a perfect chart to me in my eyes, right? It's something that, but the float is keeping it from like going boom skis. People want to see the boom skis, right? It's keeping it from actually moving the way we want it to move, which is annoying. So your question is for attack. You're wondering if it is going to keep going and you're in at $5. So you'll break even for now. So this one seems to be fine. I mean, it's been holding this level all morning. $5, $5, $5. So regardless of what happens, or if it has another run in it, don't go below $5. Otherwise, I will come visit you, Richard. I will take your computer and your phone, and I will change the passwords. Alrighty. So make sure you don't go red. Again, it's been holding this level all morning. That's your entry, right? Don't let it go below that level. Bonjour, bonjour, Emer. Bonjour. This is the first morning Jameson has ruined for me. I know, right? Jameson ruined it. Ruined. As soon as Jameson said check the float, I looked at the floats. Well, yeah, it just gave me a different vibe after that, just a different vibe. But again, I do hope we can consolidate above 102. And but I think the fact that it has a massive float like that keeps. You're welcome. Good morning, honest trader. Good morning. Anyways, back to the gainers list here really quickly. So SMFL had news. It's up 200 and something percent. It actually looks like it's finding ways to hold above 240, which is nice. It's almost like a double bottom, triple bottom at 240 if we can stay above that level, right? So we shall see. MSAI was a name from last night. I cannot remember who mentioned this name, but it's done really well, right? So we can keep track of that. And then Hook, obviously, we've talked about a bit. DMK is another one that was just mentioned in the chat by Queen there to look at. There's a whole bunch of stuff, guys. And again, like there's no need to rush into these names until we actually see stuff that we like. So we'll see. Let me look at DMK. True, 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 true. Yeah, DMK doesn't look too bad. Actually, I don't mind that actually. This is technically a breakout, right? Resistance, double top breakout, and then a retest of the breakout right there. So it looks good. Your next resistance is just slightly above like 93 there. So it's closer to resistance than it is to support. So I'm gonna leave that on the sides. Looks good though. So again, the S&P gapping up this morning, which is nice because it's dragging everything along with it, including Tesla. What's Bitcoin at? 44. Yes. Right. So BTC looks nice as well, above 44,000. So that's looking good. That's looking good. MSAI not really doing much. Not so good. Interesting. Cool. Well, let's see what happens going into the open. When oil squeeze over the weekend. Just send me the difference between your entry and the stop loss. Yes. For recovery, INBS. Let me take a look. INBS. Good morning, Bizzle. Good morning. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. It really helps when you smash a like nice and early. Share the link as well if you want to. Alrighty. And all the other fun stuff. Hey, yo, Peter, good morning, good morning. Yeah, so I mean, if INBS can go from red to green, Jameson, then I would be, I think that would be a good thing. Red to green, that crossover, red to green is what you want to see. So again, if you're watching PRZO, that support is 160, and in order for that thing to retest those $2 highs, we would need to break above $1.82, right? You have a bit of resistance there, right? There's a bit of a double top, right? $1.82, $1.82. Alrighty. HUSA. Yeah, I mean, if oil does well, and then HUSA would benefit. So, well, squeezes, like Jameson says. Did anybody buy some? Mullen is on halted. Yeah, Mullen had to. I don't know why they halted the stock, honestly. Mullen had some news this morning, and yet the stock crashed. No, actually, wait, no way. No. Mullen has done a split. Oh my goodness, guys. No. When do we short this? No. No. What? No way. Oh, let me take a look. Okay. So Mullen announced this morning that uh Mullen says they had some news somewhere. Somewhere. Unless it's just a split that I saw. No, they had news. So Mullen delivers 38 Class 3 vehicles to Randy Marion Automotive Group, right? So they seem to be delivering vehicles. Oh my goodness. Wow. Because when put, can we buy some puts? Can we buy some puts? Oh my goodness. 400 to 1. The dropshipping vehicles. They deliver 38 vehicles, guys. So when Tesla delivers 3,000 vehicles per, right? These guys deliver 38 vehicles and they're like, "Oh, we're a real company. Don't worry. Real company, guys. We belong in the exchange." All-time high now? Oh my goodness, you will not believe. It's ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Look at Mullen's 38 is still something. Look at Mullen's all time. Look at Mullen's 52-week range. $11,000. Mullen has been to $11,000, guys. Someone's gonna come on stream at some point and say, but Mullen was at $10,000, right? That means it's going back to $10,000, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mullen to the safe moon. Wow, what a disgrace. See, like stuff like this should not be allowed to happen. I think this is where the it's turning into, yeah. Mullen does have options though. It might not be available right away, I don't think. Right? So Mullen should have options somewhere. Yeah, the range hasn't been updated yet, so yeah, you have to wait for the they have options all the way out. Like if what if we look for like some like July 19, 2024 already. Again, that stuff isn't updated yet, so no way to really start looking at that yet. I'm definitely trying to get put at the open. Maybe they updated at the open then, Jameson. Where to put your stop on the crazy one like that? Any support level? I'll take a look. SMFL. I mean, if you got into this, it looks really good. For now, it's been holding $3.40, so I'd be looking to maybe set it slightly below that. 2 weeks. How long before Mullen is back below? Again, I still like what Hook is doing. I really wish Hook was in a massive float. My goodness, we would this thing would go boom skis. You know, I wish Hook was in a massive float. It's fighting and it's going back up, right? So I like what it's doing. Just the yeah. Well, Mullen is again dang, what a disaster. What a disaster. Anyways, so hook. Okay, perfect. Good morning. You're in at. I'll take a look. You're in at $6.50, Richard. What's your stop loss at? Let me know. What is your stop loss at? Because it's below $6 now, right? And also, Richard, you did not look at the chart when you bought this thing, did you? You did not, did you? I'm coming to take your phone away and your laptop away, please. You bought at 650, so you bought the double top. Then you bought right there, or right there, or right there. Either way, you bought the boom skis and resistance, boom skis and resistance, boom skis and resistance. 5%. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. No. As long as you have a stop loss. Still, you bought at 7 a.m. Yeah. Yeah. Not the best of entries, right? Because it's clearly trending down now. So yeah. As long as you have a stop loss, just hope. Hope. So sorry, but no. uh, Mullen is such trash. Watch. Now that we've trashed Mullen, Mullen is gonna go up. Watch Mullen squeeze today, guys. Watch Mullen squeeze. Mullen is back to break even. It's recovered the losses. Mullen was at $6.40. It's back to $8, and then back below $8. Mullen squeeze. Mullen squeeze. No, I'm kidding. By the way, don't go FOMO into Mullen because it's still garbage. Yes, it is. After you hung it up, Jim, yeah, it did. It really did. It went wild. Exactly, Josh. Honestly, if that thing goes any higher, yeah, it's just giving you a spot to shorts. You know it's coming soon, right? These guys are gonna do an offering soon. If they're delivering 38 vehicles on all the money they've raised, these guys don't have monies, right? And they're still delivering 38 vehicles, either because they don't have more vehicles to deliver or no one's buying the damn vehicles. So both of those are big problems. Big problems for a company of that nature. So, yeah. Anyways, I have a question. Do you play right at the open or wait 15 minutes? It depends, Frank. It depends. It depends. Depends how we open. Yeah, 7 a.m. opening. It depends, Richard. It's not that you bought at 7 a.m. It's that you bought resistance, right? Yeah, it's not that you. It's not. It's like it's the setup, right? You bought resistance. You bought a triple top, right? So how do you find the float, Rusty? TradingView sometimes has it. Most of the time they have it. It's on the right hand side. If you look at the right hand side, it's going to tell you. It's going to say details. Key stats is what it says. And then it shows you the volume, the average volume, the market cap, dividend potential, floats, all of that stuff. Good morning, Deep. It just had a good setup. It did not have a good setup. It did not have a good setup. If you're gonna buy breakout, Richard, make sure you wait till it actually closes above and consolidates above, right? And then it becomes a good setup. They're successful with so many other. No, it is. No, we crush it. So we, for the most part, have fun with these rubbish companies. Yeah. Mullen 52-week high. Yeah. Yeah. 10,700 because they've done a split, right? So that changes the. Every time a company does a split, it changes the price, the range, the 52-week range, right? And I think it changes the analyst like price targets too. So when you see these analysts say, "Oh, this stock is going to $30 when it's at 50 cents or a dollar," it's most likely because it's messed up with the split. Good morning, CM. What's Hooky doing? Hook is just sitting there, just sitting there at 102. Again, it's holding the level, right? Yeah, exactly. By the way, the original shorts are at exactly that's what people don't get, right? So, and then someone's gonna say, oh, but the shorts have to cover, right? Well, guess what? If you were short this stock at 52-week highs, forget about like in the past. Forget about the past, okay? Like forget about last year when Mullen was at $12. This is this year alone, right? So Mullen has done a split that takes this year's high to $11,000. So imagine you shorted Mullen 2 years ago and you just sat there. Your average is not only 10, 11, it's a lot higher. So why would you ever cover Mullen? Tell me why the shorts would have to cover Mullen. If Mullen squeezed from $8 to $1,000, does that affect them? Sure. Are they still more than green? Oh my goodness, so green. If the frog closed its eyes. And anyways, yeah. So when these companies do stuff like this, it just makes it so much easier for the shorts to keep slapping them, slapping to the bridge, right? Because if you shorted AMC at $50 and they've done a split, well, guess what? Your short average isn't $50 anymore. They just gave you a whole bunch of room. Yes, they reduced the whatever else, but still same value, but still, right? It's going to the moon. Well, let's see. So moving on, it looks like on the left hand side, SMFL has done a good job, right? So it's up 260% now. Again, like I said earlier, it's done a really good job holding this $2.40 level, right? So like right there, SMFL, $2.40. And now it's slowly creeping up. Our next resistance is if we get closer to $3 for SMFL. But again, the news is interesting, right? Acquiring another company for vitamins and supplements. So that's cool, I guess. And yeah, we have a weird setup, a weird list of names going into the open. A weird list. We have a name that's up 270%, so that's fun, but it's getting close to resistance. We have a name that we like what the chart looks like, but it has a massive float. And then we have a whole bunch of other names just chilling in the middle, right? So PRZO looks good too. Um, yeah, we'll see. Is that the new float for Mullen? 450? Really? Wow. Hmm, interesting. Na, 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 na. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. La, 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 I share Merlin was for all of this. Well, is what you mean? Okay, that makes sense. Well, technically, yes. Matt, it was, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. We paid attention to that thing all day because it looked like it had that potential, right? And that's something that, like, when you're watching a stock and it's constantly holding the same support and then testing resistance, but it's still holding the base, there's always a chance. There's always a chance, so. We have about 15 more minutes left going into the open, guys. So if you're holding anything, actually, question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? Right? If you had to pick one name that would go boom skis, one name that you would want to focus on for the day, what name would that be? Don't say Tesla. I will find you. SMFL. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's done well. You're in a nice position. PRZO. Okay. Yeah. SMFL, Tesla. Jody says Mullen. Well, I mean, I said it. Unbelievable. Tesla. Except it has a lot of red candles. No, that's fine though. It could easily sell off at the open and still do well, right? So, yeah, it looks good. Wasn't it like $10, Ryan? Before all, Mullen was at between $10 and $12. The first time we ever talked about Mullen was 2 or 3 years ago, right? So Mullen and BBIG, same type of deal. Mullen went from like the abyss to from $1, $2, all the way to like $12 or something like that, close to $12. And then after that, it was disaster. Yeah, you have a grudge. You should. Mullen is how? Yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We had fun with Mullen. I think people forget that like all of these names that are rubbish now. At some point, they had all of this retail excitement, right? At some point, even AMC, right? Like when we talked about AMC was going from $10 to 72, right? BBIG went from $2, like I said, the same type of deal with Mullen, all the way to $11 or $12 as well. So and then after that, they just became a yeah. The only good thing about the stock, man, you've been here for that long. How come you're not a member? Why are you not a member, man? Well, they were exactly, Josh, exactly, right? We had fun with Mullen and BBIG, right? I think the BBIG story is fun too. Like I think Musty was the one that brought up BBIG or Mullen, one of these two, right? I think we were leaving on a Friday, and this random stock, right? BBIG, I think it was going from $1 to $2, and it was gaining momentum. So then we spent the last hour talking about BBIG, right? BBIG, BBIG, BBIG. And then the following Monday, BBIG had flames from $2 to $3, and it just did not stop. It did not stop all the way to $12, right? And then after that, it became trash. So yeah, we've had fun with all these names and started losing. So you had to take a break, Matt. Okay, you're back now. So SMFL guys, as we approach the open, keep in mind that thing is up 200 and something percent. So there's nothing wrong with like not being sure and just waiting, right? It's the holiday week, right? So no need for you to be rushing already. MSAI is dipping there. PRZO is consolidating, right? Everything just looks fishy, is what I'm trying to say. Everything looks fishy. Nothing stands out. So yeah. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. I would really appreciate that. It really helps with the algos and whatnot. So smash a like already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us in Discords. No more slacking. It's 2024 coming, alrighty? So no more slacking. We have to win more. Tesla, everything is dropping. Interestingly enough, like it's not just the small caps. It's Tesla dropping too. It's the S&P dropping too. What's Bitcoin doing here? Bitcoin is like, yeah, Bitcoin is also dropping. Everything is dropping. Those tickers are where exactly. Yeah, I think the problem with these stocks that go boom skis and then end up going to the bridge is people buy into the idea that these stocks are going to change. They're going to like change to your life forever, right? A stock has gone from $1 to $12, yet you want $100, right? And then you diamond handed, and then it goes to the abyss, right? So and what's interesting too is these stocks usually run for the most part without catalyst, right? So when a stock is pumping without a catalyst, you have to run where as soon as it turns around because it's retail. When retail leaves, they don't come back. When retail leaves, they don't come back. So if you diamond hand one of these names and it crashes, you're gonna be on your own waiting for the company to do something. Lincoln, good morning. Everything is dropping all together now. I think we're just approaching the open, Emer. So the pre-market crew is going back to bed, and now the market opening crew is might wake up. Yeah, everything is dropping except for Mullen. Actually, well, Mullen already dropped. So Mullen is technically at all-time lows. By the way, all-time lows. With this split and then the drop, right? All-time lows for Mullen. Mullen's all-time low before the split, with the split is $7.72. Mullen is about to open below 749. So all-time low. We can't go any lower. ARQT been distracted all week. In at 254 missed when it broke $3. Yeah, yeah, you've been dealing with chaos. Jeff, ARQT. That's what Peter said to the nun, when we went to Vegas. Except he used a different. Anyways, URAQT, and then he said something about the other word later. So, anyways, I'm sure Peter knows. He said it. So 277. So you agreed on this position. He agreed on this. He said URAQT. Good morning, Lori. Are you looking for a pullback? I didn't say anything. Good morning, Shafman. He told me that non-sugar. Oh my goodness. Anyways, good morning, Joe. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let's see here. So you're green in that position for now, Jeff, which is good. The low from yesterday was 245. Oh, this thing has been struggling all week too, Jeff, hasn't it? It actually went all the way to 340. My goodness, dang, you were nicely green. Jeff, I would honestly like if I was in that same position, I would try and decide if I want to have my stop loss at break even or how far above break even I want to set that stop loss. And then if it goes boom, then beautiful. Good morning, Dan. Yo, right? That's what I would do. Alrighty. So and then hopefully it gets back above $3. And if it does, then amazing. If it doesn't, then okay. Oh well. Ayo, Costa. Ayo. Good morning, Wally. Good morning, guys. I'm not 100% in this, but LMDX is due by. I don't know if you have a way to check that. You can, but it, it usually doesn't make a difference because then you're speculating that they get approval. I mean, it's a micro penny stock, so you would hope that they would get the approval. Either way, that's not a good enough reason, though. So if I look at this chart, like it's an ugly looking chart. I hate that it's, but like sure you can look at this, right? And I think the only reason why you like the stock, Ryan, is because you played with this thing over and over from 8 cents, right? From this same level, you played with it here, you played with it here, right? And you're looking at it again over here. So, um, just play the technicals, Ryan. Yeah, it's coming up. Yeah, just play the technicals. Right, if that thing goes below 716, then you have a problem, a big problem. It's never a guarantee. It's never a guarantee that they get approval, right? So, but I think it's also as for a big breakout. Okay, yeah, maybe take some of the profits you've made and then YOLO a potential FDA approval, right? Because I'm sure you double the monies just by playing with this thing from 8 cents every time to 20 cents, right? So you have some monies to play with. Alrighty. So again, one last look at the gainer list this morning. Um, the S&P obviously has done well with data that came out this morning, so that's good. The markets are kind of green. And then so again, SMFL had news this morning. They're acquiring another company, so that thing is done really well. And then MSAI has done well. They had news last night. Hook had news this morning. It's done well, but the float is big, so I think that's a bit of a problem. PRZO, it's one of those names that we're going to be paying attention to see if it gains momentum, continues the momentum from yesterday and overnight, right? So it's going to need to break above $1.80, like I said earlier. So, and then there's a whole bunch more with low volume. So, and Mullen is back to Mullen is slowly creeping up, guys. Wow, I need to get rid of Mullen though. I don't want to be watching Mullen. I do not want to be watching Mullen. Choo 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 choo. I really wish Hook had a small float. My goodness, this thing would be fire. Would be fire. But for now, we wait for the market to open and then we go from there. Alrighty. And then for SMFL, we're going to need to break back above $2.75, and then you're looking for $3 SMFL. So these would be the two names, kind of, two names to watch going into the open: SMFL and Hook. But I'm sure other things will pop up as well. Uh, by Mullen? Well, you shouldn't. You shouldn't. Okay. Any divine support. Unbelievable, Dan. Anyways. Major drop. And the 30-minute 4 hour push through, continue down, normal short. Okay. Sounds good. Love you too, Dan. Love you too. I just wanted to go check, and then all of a sudden I was getting roasted. So I just quietly left. I was like, okay, let me run away. Can you can't you won't be able to short Mullen. You will not be able to short Mullen like we always do. Yes. Yes. Mostly why? Are you going long, Mullen? That's true, Peter. Come on, just open the markets now. Less than 30 seconds, guys. We need chaos. If you buy Mullen after all the trash talking we've done, Mustine, then you don't listen to the stream at all. Then you should cancel your membership and go join Uncle Smokey's. I don't know what to tell you. If someone's FOMO into Mullen at $8, well, then they have bigger issues. Said no one. Yep. Anyways, newbie question, but is inflow? Yes, for the most part, yes, yes. Jeff, yes. It's like think of it as money's coming in. Anyway, so yeah, the market is open, guys. Let's see if we get a breakout. Alrighty, so Hook looks good already. SMFL is already pumping. That thing is, oh my goodness. Again, this is typical though, right? Where you get like market open reactions, right? So there goes 107 for Hook. Again, I wish that thing had a smaller float, because I bet you we're going to fluctuate up and down on Hook there, which is really annoying. Like I mentioned earlier, SMFL is going to need to break above $2.75 and actually close above it before we have something there. Good morning, Focus. Let me look at some of these other names. The S&P with a nice little pop there. DMK with a nice push into the open. Let's see if that thing can consolidate. It has a double top. DMK has a double top at 92 cents, like we mentioned earlier, but really good support at 77, 78. So it's going to need to stay above those levels. Stay above the level. Chaos. There goes SMFL, guys. SMFL says, hey, I'm the captain now. Right, your next resistance is $3 for SMFL. There goes 278%. 280%. And back down. So yeah, that's your next resistance at $3. And that thing is going to destroy it, isn't it? 296, 290%, 299. $2.99. And another test of $3 and another fail. DMK, yeah, 296, 298, 299. Boom skis, $3. Can it actually close above $3 though? Oh my goodness! Look at that, highs of the day testing. So pre-market high was 317, 317. So there goes 323. Oh my goodness, that thing is on fire. SMFL. Sheesh, sheesh. So if you bought that thing in pre-market, maybe right. If you bought the consolidation, the demand zone, right? This little bottom there, that 240 ish, right? We talked about that earlier because M was asking M. So congratulations, by the way, if you're still in this, right? Because we never went below that 240 level, so you should still be in that play, right? So yeah, congrats if you're in that play. What about Paul at these levels? Well, Union, you want to be careful. When something loses momentum, don't go looking again and saying, oh, but Paul was up 700% yesterday. It has to go again, right? It doesn't have to, alrighty? So be careful, please. So it doesn't seem like we're actually closing candles above 317, so be careful, alrighty? Like the pre-market high, we're not actually closing candles above that level yet. So if you're gonna FOMO at that at resistance, just be mindful. Yeah, double dipping. Yeah, right. So just be careful here with SMFL. Crash like yeah, yeah, yep. I think the good thing about this one though, Eric, was that it did a good job selling off into the open and actually building a base and then boom skis at the open. Like it wasn't pumping into the open, right? It's actually testing the pre-market highs now, right? So stop at 285, Josh. Beautiful, very nice. If you're in, yeah, if you're in SMFL, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you are in SMFL. What a nice run. What's a very nice run. And that thing is testing new highs. Uh, and so that thing hit new highs of $2, $3.40, guys. $3.40. But again, the problem is that it's unable to close about 317. Right? So this is why it's really important that when you're waiting for a breakout, you want to make sure the candle actually closes. Because if you go ahead and FOMO at 317 and you're like, okay, but it's actually pushing above, it doesn't matter if a stock pushes above resistance, it has to close above resistance. Alrighty, it has to close above resistance. The S&P's had some nice pushes there. Let me take a look. Mm. Hopefully we haven't missed that. Here we go. That thing is overly volatile, isn't it? Overly volatile. There we go. Better, 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 better. There we go, guys. Boom skis. Give it to us. Uh huh. Uh huh. Give it to us. Uh huh. Uh huh. I hate that it's so volatile, though. That's my only problem there. Give it to us. Uh huh. Uh huh. So volatile, all over the place. Uh, all over the place. Goodness. Anyways, I just had to send a signal in Discord and whatnot. Speaking of SMFL again, it looks like we are kind of holding $3 for now, so that's good. Alrighty, I think we had a crazy candle all the way down there, but again, it looks like we're kind of closing above the nine, so that should be a good start. Here we go, guys. 90 cents. Come on, give it to us. Uh huh. Uh huh. Give it to us. Uh huh. Uh huh. Give us more, please. So yeah, we do have resistance up there. That's the problem, but that's the problem. The problem. Next, I take one more time. One more time. I wonder if that thing will actually give us a breakout there. Give us the damn breakout. Uh huh. Uh huh. It's a triple top. It also looks like a well, it's a triple top. So that's the only problem there, you know. Oh wow, look at that thing go, guys. Look at MSAI. Oh my goodness. Little dip ski to a demand zone, crawl back above the nine, and then boom skis. Straight to resistance though, right? So 660 omega. 660. But that's a very nice pop. Good job. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, you're in? Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, it's halted. It's halted at resistance. I hate when these stocks halt at resistance because you're trying to you just never know what's gonna happen at this time, you know? Well, hopefully it's a open above the resistance price. SMFL again hit resistance, guys. You want to be very careful at a double top, right? Especially if we're not closing above it, then you know you have a problem, right? So we never closed above the double top. So for SMFL, so if you're FOMOing into stuff at resistance, you're asking for violence. Violence. Public service announcement. Mullen is our new all-time lows, guys. I just thought maybe I would say something. You know how they say something, right? I saw something. I thought I would say something. Anyways, still kind of watching DMK here to give us a boom ski if it wants to, right? Triple top needs to clear that level. We need to break resistance. There we go, 89. Here we go, here we go. Give it to us, guys. 91. Give it to us. Uh huh. Uh huh. Dang. What's up with this resistance? If you're holding DMK, type in yes in the chat. If you took the signal in Discord, type in yes in the chat. My goodness. My goodness. Again, there's your signal ready for DMK. So the question now is, can we go boom skis? I don't know. Right? If you took it, you're green though, right? So maybe try your best to to manage the trade. It's annoying when resistance is so tight though, you know, because we know there's resistance right there. Like it's failed multiple times. The question is, will it break? I don't know if it's gonna break. I don't know if it's gonna break. So it's one of those things where you either sell at resistance and wait for a breakout, or you set a stop loss, or you do this, you do that. You have to manage the trade though. Ready? You have to manage the trade. We're back in that stupid zone again. 76. Let's see if we can get a higher low this time at least. If we can get a higher low this time at least. My goodness, that thing is wild. Come on. Yeah, the spread is stupid. That's the captain. We'll come back to this again. If we can stay above this demand zone, stay above support, and then we should be okay. Let me go take a look at other stuff. PRZO. Come on, load. Taking its sweet time. Yeah, not too bad. It's the same resistance we talked about in pre-market, though, right? We still need to consolidate above $1.80. Captain stop loss. We need to consolidate above $1.80, and then go from there. Come on, DMK, just give us the boom skis. The people want the squeeze. So much supply, so much resistance, so much resistance, so much resistance. So much resistance. In sympathy, attack. It doesn't show you the bid on TradingView Omega. I only make bad plays all in on what do you mean? Yeah, that thing is forming a bit of a downtrend now too, so that's a problem. Anyways, back to SMFL. A sell-off. When the stock explodes immediately at the open, we've mentioned this almost every day, right? So at some point, it will have to come back and retest, right? If you look to the left-hand side, guys, what do you see, right? Do you see the breakout on the left-hand side? Do you see the double top? You see that double top on the left-hand side? Guess what, right? This is your retest, right? If we can stay above 275. I think we mentioned 275 quite a few times on this one, right? So break above, break above. So now it's going to need to stay above that level and then go back for $3, right? SMFL. You're short at 691. Okay. 691. Sounds good. $2.75. 280. Okay, not bad. Anyways, we need to break this downtrend on DMK though. We need to break that downtrend because it's looking a little bit on the ugly side. And we know like that. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom. Last liquidity week at 80. Move your stop loss. Got stopped out. Green though. Good job. Green is good. Green is good. Green is good. It's such a slacker, isn't it? My goodness. Here we go. 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 84. Come on. Give us the musty rubs. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, pizza. Cool. I want to see that, that if you want your stop to, if you haven't smashed the like yet, you're holding us back. We don't want you holding us back. Here goes 87. Come on. My goodness. My goodness. 87 back to 84. you could see the potential, of like boom skis, like, going through your veins. But then it's not actually going boom skis, but you can feel it, There goes 87. Here goes 88. Come on. Here goes 89. Come on, through the veins, guys. Here goes 90 cents. Here goes 91. Come on. You could feel it. Imagine your Iron Man, you put on the suit and it's going from one hand to the other hand. And you're like, you can feel the flames in your eyes and it's about to explode. And you're like, come on, just do it already. And it doesn't want to do it. But here we go. We're testing resistance again. Can I get some rockets in the chat? Smash a like, spam those rockets, because you're holding us back. Again, it is resistance though. So as much as we're excited about that, it's still at resistance. If you sell at resistance, good job. Right? If you move your stop loss up, good job. Right? There's nothing wrong with any of that. Because we know it's resistance. As much as we want it to break above resistance, it's not a guarantee that anything breaks above resistance. So you have to manage the trade, right? You have to manage the trade. Alrighty, so because we might just keep failing at resistance. If you scalp this thing 3 times, you're probably happy that you sold every time at resistance, and then you bought back, and then you sold again, right? So, yeah, you know, 86. What a slacker. Maybe we need to say nice things. I've been waiting to spam all my life. We need the thrust vibes. Well, if we can close above 90 cents, then we could get some thrust vibes. For now, the damn thing is slacking. Here we go again. 86, back to 85. That resistance is solid, isn't it? Solid resistance. Solid resistance. That's 85. Sheesh. I got kicked out eventually. This one? DMK? Oh, yes. Don't show me this. Oh, my goodness. And then it's gone back down, right? So again, resistance. You have to make decisions at resistance. La 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 la. Resistance. It's trying to correct captain stop loss. Okay. So eventually, if we can break above that resistance, then that's a good thing. For now, we wait. We wait. Alrighty. As we're waiting, let me go look at some other things. We'll come back, of course. Of course, we'll come back. So SMFL again. Your next support is $2.60. Alrighty, and then you're looking for the abyss there. Hook is back to the same stupid level. Hook sold off at the open, right? Market open, sell off, right? All the way back to 87. So and then now it's bouncing. So yeah. Yes. Back to 86. Hook Cliff, what's your question? Let me know what your question is. Posted yesterday, Sido. Here we go, 88. Please have stop again, guys. Sido, go watch that video we did over the weekend, please. How to set a stop loss, or how to 10 essential principles of trading, please. Because I don't think people actually watch that stuff sometimes. Because I think people just who are we captaining? You could do Salah, Son, or Watkins. Come on, give us a break above 90 cents. My goodness, guys. Goodness gracious. Boom skis? Oh my god. Look at that thing go, guys. Oh my goodness. MSAI. See, that's the beauty about some stocks getting halted sometimes, is then they don't even give you the chance to exit. Because that doesn't. They just halt and then on halt and then boom skis. Look at that. Halted at 660. Well, guess what? The next candle, it's gone. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, it's falling like a tomato, SMFL, right? I mean, you look at that thing, it's not curling. Plus, you're coming off a double top. Double top, no curls, right? Wait for the curls. If it's not curling, well, it's still up 200%. Quite high, right? So Omega is in this one. I think Greg might be in this one as well. Mon, are you in this one? So congratulations if you're in this thing. Congrats. MSAI. Good morning, Singh. All right, so that looks beautiful. My goodness. Wow. Sheesh. Well, eventually broke above that 660 level. I think it was Richard that was in this one. Richard, you still in this one? You formed at 650, right? Well, if you're still in there, you should be green now. Come on, DMK. Just give us the boom skis already, guys. Give us the boom skis. How long does it take to break resistance, guys? All day? Asking for a friend. All day to break resistance? Come on, there goes 91. Come on. My goodness. Goodness gracious. Come on, Josh. Make the phone call, please. Make the phone call. Hello? This is, yes, make the phone call. Here we go, 93. Here we go. Josh is making the phone call. He's like, hello? This is your captain speaking. Here goes 95. Here we go. Here goes 95. Give us $1 already. Again, please move your stop losses higher. You don't want that thing going back to where you bought in at, please. You should not go from green to red. Otherwise, I will find you and I will change your password to everything you own. Alrighty? Please and thank you. Please and thank you. 94. Come on, give us more. Again, this was your signal in Discord. If you took this signal, you're green and your membership is paid for. If you're not a legend member, you're missing out, right? DMK, right? That was your entry between 80 cents and 76 cents, right? Stop loss at 75, resistance at 94. We know there's resistance here, right? So you want to be careful, right? So, but that was your play. Alrighty? Alrighty. Alrighty. Yeah, it's gonna need to start curling at some point. We still need to close this damn place above, above 90 cents. Like, damn. JC, let's go. So again, if you made monies in this signal, if you're still in this, or if you made monies in this, type in yes in the chat, right? If you made monies in a DMK or you're still in it, type in yes in the chat. Here we go again. Justin says yes, I'm inside. Oh, I made monies. Just give us a damn break. There we go, 92. 94. Come on. Just give us the boom skis. MSAI is still halted. Still halted. Still halted. Peter, who are you captaining? Do you know yet? Your transfers are done? Huh, interesting. 93. Come on, give us the boom skis. Come on. Again, imagine you're Spider-Man. And you can feel the ropes, Peter, good job. We want to see the boom skis. The people want boom skis. There we go. The people want boom skis, guys. 97. 97. The people want boom skis. You're captaining the guy that doesn't play. Here we go, guys. 99. There we go. $1, guys. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Boom skis. Boom skis. Again, if you're still in this, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding the MK, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chats. Come on, give us more, give us more, give us more. Did we get a? Okay, no, that was M. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, MSAI is on fire. $13, and it's sending it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dang. Yeah, on halted and Gonskis. That was a nice run. Omega, don't forget to pay yourself, please. Otherwise, I'm flying to Australia. You know. When I'm back, I don't want to see DMK. Musty hates DMK. Musty, you have the Signal channel in Discord, so there you go. I don't want to see it. Well, the only way you don't see it is if it goes below the. Richard, congratulations! You made $2,000 on MSAI. Yeah, your entry was rubbish, by the way, right? But you got saved. Alrighty, so congratulations. Yeah, so I mean that thing was at $14 almost. So yeah, don't forget to pay yourself. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with the breach, the breach, the breach. Anyways, okay. Oh no, that's not what I want. Delete. 92 cents. Okay. 92 cents. It's a green day today. No, it's always good when it's a green day. I think the holidays have actually quite been nice. You know, they've been quite nice. There goes 13. Oh my goodness. We're back to the highs of the day for MSAI. Ooh, wee, that thing is impressive. Look at SMFL, guys. That thing sold off at a double top, right? Stop losses, very important, guys. Very important. Very important to have a stop loss, right? If you did not have a stop loss on this play as it popped and hit a double top and started crashing, Lord have mercy, right? Also sitting below the 9, the kernel, the 20, the 50, red flags all over the place on SMFL, right? So be very careful. Alrighty. Alrighty. It looks like we're failing at the same resistance now. $14 for MSAI. MSAI. Yeah, liquidity grabs. Santa rally. Yeah, we've had some nice Santa rallies. Some nice Santa rallies. Perfect. Yes. Humble. Yes. Yes. MSAI is a SPAC. Sportsman Tech Acquisition Corp is a SPAC. See, Jeff, if Jeff knew that though, he would be really starting to hate all these little changes. These idiots are making rubbish. Stop changing it. Huh, interesting. A liquidity grab from you. Yeah, you should have sold DMK. Well, you should have at least you should have a stop loss. AD, you like the new background? You like this one? Space. Tesla space. Oh yeah, Elon is right there too, by the way. Elon is right in the corner in space, you know? We're both traveling through time. The year is 2035. Everybody's living on Mars. And yeah, yeah, yeah. Elon is in the little corner over there, spying on us, you know? He's like, squeeze, 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 squeeze the damn stocks. All time low 17. Okay. Yeah, like again, if we go from 70 whatever, right, all the way to $1 whatever, right, you should have a stop loss on this. You don't want to be going from green to red, or green to break even, green to break even, right? So again, the good thing about DMK for now is that sure, we're still kind of holding the same support, so it might be a multi. I think we've had so many of these signals that have been like multi scalps, right? Like you can scalp them over and over up the same levels, and with this one maybe no exception, right? So yeah, but nice little push, nice little push. 13. 13. So, la, 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 la. Good job, Omega. Good job. Congratulations. Very well played. Yeah, so $14 resistance, right? You might have a bit of support at 11, whatever here. A little bit of support up the 9, but any good entry? You made $2,000, Richard. Do not buy anything unless you see that it's at a beautiful spot, right? Look at that. That thing is that. Look, I mean, look at this, right? You made a lot of monies, uh, so take your time. Take your time. And if you play with anything else, don't lose $2,000. I will cancel your membership, Richard, and I will send you to, you know, like in this. So don't go red. Yeah, it's trying to, but just be careful. La, 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 la. Yes, I will, JC. I will change your password if you go red. You know, I'm just saying, Richard. You made $2,000 in a day, right? Don't go lose it. Don't go lose it because you're chasing the same stock again, right? This was a beautiful rally. That's amazing, right? From 460 to $14. Booms, 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 right? So be very careful. You believe 4 days till Christmas? Wow, 4 days. That's impressive. I don't know why it's impressive, but it's yeah. Yeah, yeah. So when you look for plays now, Richard, when you hit your goal, when you're looking for plays, you're looking for A plus setups. When you hit your daily goal, if you're gonna buy anything else, it's A plus, with minimal losses. You know what? If I take this A plus play, and it doesn't work, I'm okay losing $50, $100. I'm not gonna diamond hand it because I made more, so I can risk half of my money's though. Don't do that. Please and thank you. There's a video, by the way, that I wanted to play. I'm gonna play that video. Alrighty, there's a nice video. Okay, let's watch this. Let me get rid of that comments first, and then we can watch this.
Trading is about probabilities. The truth is, if you're going to become a consistently profitable trader, you're going to have to become a really good loser. In fact, really cherish your losses, about being able to maintain small losses rather than having something exaggerate and go ballistic on you. So ultimately, what you're going to have to do to be able to become an elite trader, consistently profitable, is you're going to have to change your perception about winning and losing. And in here, the very first thing is most people get into trading because they think, oh my God, you know something, I can have personal financial freedom, and I can also have this personal freedom of being able to do what I want to do. And they don't realize that, yes, that's true. Trading does offer that opportunity, but what most people don't tell you is that you're going to have to change the way the brain interacts with uncertainty to be able to do that. And friends, very few do that. Most just think, I'm going to try harder, work harder. But that's not the way it works. So what we're getting here is this, is that you're hardwired in a way that's going to cause you not to be able to perform well under pressure with capital at risk in trading.
Emotions. Emotions. It's halted. Oh my goodness! Attack. Attack is another one of those packs. So it's a sympathy play. Attack is a sympathy play to the other one. Yeah, Jeff, are you in this one? Yeah, attack is a sympathy play to the other one. It looks like another spacky spac. So this might turn out to be a spac Thursday. Ooh wee. Good job, Omega. Omega made $4,000 on that run on MSAI. Wow! Congratulations, big monies. Uh, Best gain in ages. You should be very proud. Very proud. Should be very proud. Back to 120. Yeah. Again, it's a merger showgam, but running because it's a sympathy play to the other one though. Is the market closed a lot? No, the market is only closed on one day. That's next Monday. Just once. So close once next Monday, the Monday after Christmas, and then close once the Monday after New Year. Yeah. Printing recoveries, that's okay too. That's completely okay, Omega. At least you're recovering, but you're also learning, right? So uh, nothing better. You know, nothing better. Nothing better. A nice little halt. Yeah, you still kind of need a MSAI to consolidate at some point because it's not doing it yet, is it? Right? Pump and dump, right? So if you took profits, which Omega did and Richard did, congratulations, guys. So now you want to see that thing consolidate, whether it's $10 or wherever that is. I don't believe it will go up again. Yeah, we'll see, right? You can never really tell, honestly, unless you start getting those lower highs and lower lows, Sing, you know? But yeah. That was a nice run though. My goodness, what a beauty. From $4.60 all the way to $14. Dipski, right? And we've also had fun with DMK as well, right? So again, good signal, green the entire time and pump, right? So now we're back in that same range. If we can stay above it, that would be good, right? And then attack is halted. He has a sympathy play, so we shall see what happens when that thing gets unhalted. SMFL looks like it's trying to curl above $2, like you mentioned, Sing. So hopefully it does. Hook is just confused, honestly, right? The reason for that is again the floats, right? As soon as we see the float, it's a problem. Right? As soon as that float is massive, it's gonna take it's gonna take a lot to push it up, right? So supply and demand, right? So there might be a lot of demand, which there is. It's 42 million, right? Um, where the average is 2 million. So yeah, the demand is there, but the supply is also a lot, right? If you look at a different stock, I mean, look at a stock like SMFL, for example, right? So SMFL, 36 million shares traded, right? Well, how high is that stock? It's up 200%, right? You look at a stock like Hook, right? Way more volume, and it's up less and it's slower, right? What's the reason for that? Supply and demand, right? Imagine you're delivering pizzas, you're selling pizzas, right? You have 5 slices of pizzas. If you have 10 people willing to buy those 5 slices of pizzas, you can say, you know what, guys, the price was $2. Well, the price is now $4, right? Well, whereas if you're selling pizzas, if you're selling 5 slices of pizzas and there's only 2 people buying those pizzas, you're going to be like, I give you discounts. Anybody want discount? 2 for 1, two for the price of one. Buy one, get one free. Come on. So that's the problem. Anyways, Hook needs to get back above $1. Alrighty, DMK is still holding that same support level, right? That's 76-ish, so that's good. So if it can stay above it, it's already back above 80, so that's good. Attack is on halted. It's at $7 now. Ooh wee, and it's halted again. Attack, 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 attack. Your entry? Okay, 530 on the other one. It's very loud. Yeah, yeah, it's halted already. Attack. BTC locked. The bid is $10 now, Troy. Oh my goodness, that's quick. Jeff, what's your entry on attack? You're not in it? How did you miss this bank? No, the bid is not 44. No, the bids will do that initially when like that initial haul. That's why I never check the initially. Give it a minute or so, and it should give you the real price. Hook is going back up, guys. Hook is almost 99 cents. SMFL is back to 247. 250. 252, 255 SMFL. Hook is back to 99.50. Oh my goodness, Hook. Hook is like, don't do that to me, please. Yeah, bits, no, again, the bits, it's not going to $30, guys. Do you guys really think a stock is going to hold at $7 and open at $30? Have you ever seen that? Except it's a scam. And like it's like ZYJ that on halts at the close or after hours. That's different. Have you ever seen that? Seven, unless they have a catalyst, unless something weird is happening, it's not gonna happen. I look left. Well, if I look left on attack, the last thing I see is not is that high on pre-market at $7.50, not $30. A little scalp, beautiful. Off the 200 D, I like what you've done. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. Beautiful entry, right? $2 stop loss 190.90. Christmas, holidays, Christmas. DIH Technology. Major owner of LQR. Just picked up 21,000 shares of the company. Wow. When was that though? Like, was that a few days ago? I bet you that was a few days ago before the stock said boomskis. I bet you. Mm, okay, sounds good. 432. Okay, okay, the price. Okay, thank you. On hot candles, yes. Well, I don't think this thing is going to $30 though. Yeah, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. More than half of you guys haven't smashed a like yet. Why? I don't know why. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, I would really appreciate it if you could take a second and smash a like. Alrighty. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Yeah, it's buggy. Buggy. Na 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 na. So we keep playing with this whole Bottom level then. As we wait for attack. Attack to get unhalted. Attack to get unhalted. What time is it? Okay, we have lots of time. Lots of time. 20. So yesterday, yeah. Yeah. Yesterday. Choo, 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 choo. Stair stepping. Yeah. You just have all that resistance at $2.50 already. So you have the view up and the 50 EMA. You need to clear that level. He really is. He really is. Did anybody go back into a DMK? Anybody still holding that? Anybody go back for a second dip skis with the tight stop loss? You never know, honestly. You never know. Is it too late? Well, Anne Marie, it's halted. It's halted, and look at this, right? It's been going boom skis. It's not that it's too late, it's that your risk is way bigger than it should be, right? It might keep going. I mean, it's going to open, and it's most likely going to open well above $7, right? The question is, when you put in that order, what do you get? Do you get filled at $10 and then we start going down, right? Probabilities, right? So risk reward, right? If I buy this thing after a big boom ski, how much, what am I risking? There goes Hook. Hook is back to 103, 102. Same stupid level we talked about in the morning, right? So there goes your bouncy bounce from 76, right? So again, signal in this, you did. CM, good job, right? So let's see if we can stay above 76. You need to stay above 76, right? So stay above 76. So again, our first play was off that level, and then we went boom skis, right? From 76 all the way to 103, right? And then back to the same level, and it's bouncing again. So if DMK can stay above it, then good. Very good. And then Hook was the name that we kind of came into the morning watching. But then the float was way bigger than we wanted it to be. So resistance at 105 if you're playing with that thing. And DMK back to 82. 85 Soda Night Little Scarpy. Let's go, ye. Entry 81. Okay. Lost sound too tight. It depends. Is in 92. Love it. Love it. Come on. Come on. Come on, CM. Only question for you, CM, is yes or no. Is the GOAT membership paying off? Is the GOAT membership paying off? Uh yeah. Mm. Oh, yeah, what's your entry? It's going for 83 now. What's your entry, Ham? What did you get in at? Well, you're not a member. Na, 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 na. 83 target. It's not before it hits the downtrend. Yeah, there goes 83 for DMK. 82 is your entry. 82. So you're basically setting your entry. Okay, yeah, I see what you're doing. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it looks good. It's going for 84, right? So there you go, right? Again, you could have played this signal twice, right? That was your signal in Discord. You could have played this twice already, right? More than twice, maybe. So yeah, entry 76, 80 cents, right? And here we go again, right? So yeah, you can scalp that. You noticed, knew you would ask that. Yes. So if you're not a GOAT member yet, you're missing out. Right? CM is scalping all these names. Right? That's the goal, for you to have the knowledge to scalp all these things. Anyway, so 85 resistance now for DMK already. So again, first entry, same level, boom skis. Second entry, you never know how high we go. That's the problem. You can pick the best entry, you will never know how high we go, right? So you can predict, right, that hey, we're gonna get to the next supply zone, yes, but And you don't want to be predicting that anyways, right? You want to be managing the trade as you go green. You can say, you know what? Okay, this is what I'm going to do now based on what I have, right? So you can't be planning based on what if we get to $1? What if we get to $2? What if we get to doesn't matter. Alrighty. Attack is still halted at 715. Hook is holding $1, but still failing at 102. SMFL kind of giving us a higher low, so that's good. It looks like we're bouncing aggressively on MSAI. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. From $8.80, 60 cents, all the way to 11. Very quick. Very, very quick. Plays like Thursday. Interesting. Very interesting. La, 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 la. When attack on halts, guys. No FOMO. La, 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 la. La 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 la. Daily style. Uh, uh, yeah. Exit liquidity. Unhalted. Attack is unhalted. Attack says, hey guys, I am unhalted now and I'm at $8. Sheesh. What a beautiful run. A yes. Uh, $20. Be careful. Be careful. These things are pump and dumps. Be very careful. Pump and dumps. Pump and dumps. Troy, you got your answer. It said yes. Can we believe it? Unless the wheel said it, then I would. Had something nice to say. It's halted down. You know what's funny is like it popped all the way to 850, but then halted down at the same price. Yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah. You just want to be careful. I don't think it's getting delisted today, Richard. Right. So just play the technicals. Be very careful. Right. So um, with the to have a minimum of nah, uh, yeah, not delisted, just exit liquidity. You want it back in? I mean, you can still scalp it if you want it, right? Just make sure your positions are maybe not as big and you're not risking as much. You're not risking the like when it go if it goes down, you're not risking as much to the downside. Is all. Last unsalted gap. Okay, nice, Troy. Not bad. Not bad. Nah, nah, nah. The reason I say be careful, Richard, is because it happens way too often where someone's in a stock, they've made nice monies, and they go back in that stock. The stock says, "Yeah, okay, you robbed the bank and you came back to the bank. You showed me your face, and then you came back." Okay. As a matter of fact, the building is now locked. $6. Yup. Right. Yup. Hopefully, no one FOMOed into this thing because it like $6 now. So yeah. Yup. So I've mentioned this multiple times. If you are in a stock, do not let that stock halt down. Oh my goodness. If a stock is halting up and you let it halt down, you just played yourself. because it's not opening at the same price. Just stay away from it. Richard wants in. He wants in so bad. You could feel the vibes. Feel the vibes. There goes Hook. Hook is back to 108. Oh my goodness, guys. Hook is going. Oh my goodness. Maybe we have a chance here, guys. I'm telling you, like if this thing had a smaller float, we would have been all over this stock. If it had a smaller float. Nice support though. By the way, CM, good entry. You're in at 92 cents, right? And it still looks good, right? So and now it's testing the highs of the day, which is beautiful. Love it. Love it. DMK is also holding green. Oh my goodness, love it. Right, so stay green. Please and thank you. Give us boomskis. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Microsoft is Windows mixed reality. Interesting. Please and thank you. Come on, Hook Hook. Give us boomskis, please and thank you. 107? Yes. 109, guys. Oh my goodness. Send, send, send. Everybody, send, send. 110, guys. Let's go. uh, 110. Is Hook coming up? Yeah, Hook came off the scanner as well. Hook came off the scanner. 111. Super slow, right? Super slow. Super slow. Because the float, right? Because of the float. Stupid floats. He couldn't just be like 1 million or something, you know? It had to be 70 something million, right? Is a true move. Yeah, sure. Sure. It looks good. It looks good. So, I mean, reclaiming 102 was a good thing, which is a level that we kept watching in pre-market, right? Look at that fail. Look at 102. Look at how much playing we did on 102 right there. And then eventually boom skis. Right? So yeah, it's done really well. The volume is there, the chart is there, everything is there. The only thing that's holding it is the massive supply. Right? Massive supply. It doesn't reduce the float, but good, like high volume is good, right? So it makes it easier to move, but it doesn't reduce the float though. But I know what you mean. I know what you mean. All right. And yes, it kind of makes sense. But no, it doesn't reduce the float. The float stays the same unless the company does something um, to change the float, right? By doing a split, increasing the float by doing an offering, right? But yeah, volume helps, right? You know, if you have, for example, today there's 56 million shares being traded, right? So whereas usually there's 2 million, so obviously it's easier to move the market with 56 million than it is to move with 2 million, right? So yeah, for sure the volume helps. The volume helps. Options, yeah. Yeah, just make sure you take your time with options. Make sure you take your time with options. DMK is still just consolidating in that same zone, guys. Oh, interesting. And Hook, yeah, super. It's gonna be super slow, right? You almost need to scalp this thing consistently, or just again move those stop losses higher, and be okay with it, right? Because that stock isn't gonna go like, oh my goodness, boom skis. It's not one of those. It's too heavy. So we're back to retesting 102, right? Breakout, potential retest. As usual, every time. Every time we break out resistance, we come back for the retest. Right? So your question now is, can we stay above 102? Alrighty? Can we stay above 102 and consolidate and then curly back up? If we can, good. If not, then okay. Attack is still halted. MSAI still playing games. Playing games. Yeah, no, and it has really been it's been a really good week. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah, it's been a really good week actually. I mean, the last 2 weeks, all of December. I was not expecting it to be like as volatile as it is. Usually it's slow, but I think like we're getting more retail in the market, right? People always want to make monies and this and that. If you've had a good week, or the last two, if you've had a good week, type in yes in the chat. If you've had a good week, right? There goes DMK. DMK 84. Here we go. When Boomskis again. And there goes your bounce on hook, right? So 102 retest. Surprise. Right? 102 and then rebound back to 105. What you talking about, Willis? That is true. That is very true. 105. Send. 260. Okay, nice. Blooming? Yeah. Jay? Yeah, you've had a good week. To go on SNL and pump Shiba. What do I say? That Shiba is a hustle? Shiba is a hustle. 106, super slow, but technically good. Technically good. Virus, yes, you can type yes if you had one good day. Every day is okay, I see. I see. Hopefully, it doesn't become very slow. We have an hour left, so hopefully we have some more juice. Some more juice. So as we're coming closer to the end of the year, right? If you start thinking of like how you've done this year, especially going into the holidays, right? If someone attack is on halted, by the way, and it's at $6.78 now, so retesting the 9 there, so right, hopefully it bounce off the 9 and then boom skis. We'll see though, be careful. So again, as we approach the end of the year, let's talk about some lessons. Some of the biggest lessons that you've learned over the year. There might be really good lessons. There might be, some of the things you've learned over the like as the years gone on. Let me know in the chat. La, 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 la. SMFL is back. Okay, fine. I'll go look. Fine, I'll go look. Take profits. That's a really good lesson. SMFL. Smart for life. Yeah, that's a nice curly. All the way to $3 and then came right back down. So not a bad push though, but $3 is resistance, right? So yep, that's a nice push. 245, 250%. Nice. Best lesson is to watch this channel. I agree. DMK is slowly creeping up there. Ham, you're still good to go, right? Your position is still intact. Your position is still, your stop loss is still good, right? Again, I mean, it's a double bottom, right? So it looks good. Even better to join the channel. Yeah, Rusty, come join us in Discord. Best lesson, look left. Beautiful. Beautiful, right? Again, that's what technical analysis is, right? You're kind of looking at the past to see if you can predict the future, right? So there goes 87. Ooh wee, Ham. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, 87 cents, guys. Right? Again, if you took that signal once, you made monies. If you took the signal again for the second time, you're still making monies. Ooh wee, 88 cents, guys. Oh my goodness. Somebody call 911 because DMK is on fire again. 88 cents, right? There you go. Another nice little scalpy. So don't forget to move your stop loss up, take profits on the way up, blah, blah, blah. Whatever you need to do. Or leave your stop loss the same if you're comfortable, right? So you have to make the decision though. You have to make that decision. Take my losses. Yeah. Made some really good lessons. I need to learn to my eyes and enter the trade. Um, Not close your eyes, but come up with a clear plan. I think you don't. I think again, the when you hesitate, it's because you don't have. You're not confident in your plan. You don't have a plan. You might see something you like seeing, but you don't have a plan. You're like, okay, I see that this looks really good, but what am I gonna do if I get into this play, right? If you simply say, you know what, like I see this stock and there's a stupid signal, right? There's this, I don't know why you haven't taken the signals, right? I see DMK, right? There's a signal from 76 cents to 80 cents. That's a buy zone, right? Okay, cool, right? What if I take that position, right? And I put my stop loss below 76 cents, right? Or put my stop loss where the stop loss is meant to be, right? That's your plan, right? It's a double bottom. It's a demand zone. It's a 200. There's so many things going for me in this play. If I take a position, okay, I'm just going to set a stop loss. That's a plan, right? If you see something you like and you don't have a plan, even if it does well, you never had a plan in the first place, and then you will be hesitant. Scared and you never get in. Exactly. And Marie is the same problem, right? Same issue. You don't have a plan, right? The plan isn't there. I think the problem is, over the last, as time has gone on, right? As time has gone on, you've most likely taken positions based on FOMO, right? You've gotten you went into this play, you got screwed, right? You bought the stock and it crashed on you. You bought the stock and it crashed on you. You lost monies over here, you lost monies over there. So you're losing confidence, you're losing trust in yourself at the same time. You know what I mean? And then now when you see something that actually looks good, you're like, oh, but the last time I did this, it didn't work, right? Um, so you need to get to a point where like you're trusting like some type of you're trusting something. I feel personally attacked, right? But that's the issue though. Like we make the same mistakes over and over and over again, and then all of a sudden, like your mind is screwed up now. You're like, well, I did this over and over and it didn't work. I keep doing this and it's not working, right? It's okay. Like even if you lose, that is fine. As long as you have a plan. Like if you have a plan and you lose on that, you lose with the plan, you're gonna feel so much better. Like I had a plan, it didn't work. Okay, oh well, let's move on. Next plan, right? Next. Let's go. We have a new member, guys. Rusty. Welcome to the community, Rusty. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there, Rusty, and follow the steps in Discord. AI says the best trades are the hardest trades to take. Um, maybe, maybe. DMK is a scam. I mean, it's a scalpy JC. Honestly, it's very annoying. That's the thing, right? Like, people will always ask me, like, "Hey, how do I know when I buy this stock that it's going to be the stock of the day? Like it's going to be the one that goes up 1,000%." I'm like, you don't know. You never know. All you have to do is you have to find a way to keep doing the right things over and over and over and over again, and eventually you will hit it, right? If I keep buying stocks at support, at demand zones, at this, right? Who's to say that I get into this stock at 86 cents, this one, the first signal? Who's to say I get into this stock at this price and it goes like that and it never looks back and it just keeps going? That happens, doesn't it? Right? But you just have to keep doing the right things, the right things, the right things. Sometimes you will take two profits and gains. Sometimes you will lose 2 cents. Sometimes you will gain 50 cents. Sometimes you gain $5, right? Like you just never know. You just have to keep doing the right things though, right? The goal is not to hit the home run. I think that's another obstacle. The goal is not to hit a home run. The goal is to protect your monies, right? And look for these consistent gains, right? So don't go looking for home runs, right? Don't go looking for home runs in the market because you'll find yourself getting in trouble. Exactly. Expect losses, right? It's like, oh my God, I don't want to lose monies. I don't want to lose, right? I don't want to, you're going to lose monies. But it depends how you lose the monies and how much monies you lose, right? I'm going to play this video again one more time, right?
Trading is about probabilities. The truth is, if you're going to become a consistently profitable trader, you're going to have to become a really good loser. In fact, really cherish your losses, about being able to maintain small losses rather than having something exaggerate and go ballistic on you. So ultimately, what you're going to have to do to be able to become an elite trader, consistently profitable, is you're going to have to change your perception about winning and losing. And in here, the very first thing is most people get into trading because they think, oh my God, you know something, I can have personal financial freedom, and I can also have this personal freedom of being able to do what I want to do. And they don't realize that, yes, that's true. Trading does offer that opportunity, but what most people don't tell you is that you're going to have to change the way the brain interacts with uncertainty to be able to do that. And friends, very few do that. Most just think, I'm going to try harder, work harder. But that's not the way it works. So what we're getting here is this, is that you're hardwired in a way that's going to cause you not to be able to perform well under pressure with capital at risk in trading.
Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Kind of attack. $6. DMK is just sitting there, isn't it? Who's that guy? That's the new that's the anyways, that's just a random video. That's just a random video. So yeah. Yes. Just a random video. Already? Where did you take out that? Oh my goodness, Dan. Dang. Wow. It's a good video? Yes, it is. It is. I think so many people struggle with losing. So many people struggle with losing. You know, part of that is because again, like they've lost too much monies already, and the other part is the way you're losing. Right? There's two different ways of losing. Right? So if I lose because I followed a specific plan and it failed, you know what? I will blame Dan because it's someone else's fault. You know, if I bought a stock at support and it failed, I will blame the damn stock. You know what? It's okay. I bought the stock, it was consolidating. Oh well, I tried. It failed. I bought the stock at a double bottom. You know what? I will blame the damn stock. I will blame virus. I bought a double bottom. Nothing happened. It failed. You know, I bought a demand zone and it failed. You know what? I will blame Rob. Okay, that failed. You know what? That's rubbish. I bought I bought a catalyst and it failed. You know, I bought this and it failed. You know what? I'm gonna blame Josh. It's all his fault, right? So at least if you have a plan of that nature and and it fails, at least you had something. You had you kind of had a reason to get into that. But if you're closing your eyes and you're like, oh my goodness, I want to buy this stock because it's going up. Oh my goodness, it's gonna keep going, right? Well, well, I mean, how many times do you buy a stock and it's going up and you FOMO and then it crashes and then you sell it and it goes back up? I can also blame another member for my trading mistakes. Yes, blame Musty. Now start shorting your ways and teach you a lesson. That's true, actually. Use the word rubbish a lot. Am I British? I am not street vibes, but I grew up with the language, I guess. Street vibes. I grew up in the in one of those countries that was colonized by yeah. Where are you from? Street vibes. Where are you from? You know. So when you buy something, guys, have a reason. I'm buying this. You're from London? Okay, nice. Yes, yes. We colonized him. Yes, Runion. Yeah, British. From London. Very cool. Hopefully, you're not a Manchester United fan, though. Otherwise, otherwise, yeah. Anyways, yeah. So when you get into something, have a reason, right? You're an Arsenal fan, okay? Well, I mean, that's better because you guys are at the top of the table, so that's better. Yeah, no, SMFL looks beautiful. We're back to $3 actually. That's not too bad. Wow, nice, nice higher lows. So that same resistance, it looks like it's finally gonna close above it this time. Actually, that was 317, right? $3.17. Alrighty, Richard. Have a good afternoon. See you later. See you later. That's a very nice push, SMFL. A very nice push. Beautiful, Daniel. Good job. Both SMFL. Good job. So it looks like we're still struggling with 317, guys. Look at that. We pushed all the way to like almost the highs, and we came right back to the same stupid level. So this 317 level has become a problem. 317. SMFL. Did we ever get a thing? Mm-mm. And same resistance. Same resistance. So next question for you guys in the chat: if someone said, "Hey, what's your favorite stock the entire year?" Right. So, what's your favorite stock the entire year? Right. The year is coming to an end. What's your favorite stock? What would you say? From the village? I'm sure a story will come up at some point. I'm sure a story will come up. Story from the village. CVNA is your favorite stock for the year. Zim. Oh, nice names. Mullen. Nicola. Nvidia. Yeah, these the logic cap names have been nice. Nvidia has been nice. Zim has been nice. CVNA has been nice. CVNA had that crazy rally. So did Nvidia. It's a 60. Nice. Tesla. Tesla has been nice. If you bought Tesla at $100, ooh, beauty. The good thing about SMFL is that it's actually holding really nicely and it's trending up. Like it's giving you these higher low closes, so that's perfect. And look at that. Boom skis again. 336. Oh yeah, Zim. AI. Na, na, na. Oh, Sophia for dividends, yeah. Zim. Uh, there we go. Good job, Lynn. La, 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 la. Perfect. You made the most on Envos, Rusty. Very nice. Yeah, just so yeah, Rusty, click on the link and then follow the steps in the getting started channel. Well, we're still feeling at the same resistance for SMFL, guys. Look at all these wicks, right? Look at all these wicks to the top of the candles, but still, it's the same resistance. Like I can move that line a little bit lower because it should be moved a bit lower, and it's right there, right there. That's the resistance. So we're having issues with like actually closing above that level. So until we do, SMFL is fighting. Yeah, happy days, happy days. Good job. Happy days. In it, bruv. That's for street vibes. Is street vibes a name to something? Street vibes TV. Is that like a what is that for? Scalpies. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And are we oh wow, yeah, we actually hit 95 again, guys. Oh wow. Missed that completely. That would have been a nice entry there. 95. 95 for hook. Yeah, street vibes. Okay, very cool. Yeah, so 95 resistance then, 95 support, and then 102 again. Same damn resistance, guys. For hook, same resistance, support 95 cents. The next is become a member. Come join us in Discord. DMK is retesting the same stupid level again. Still holding, but it's becoming a little bit ridiculous, isn't it? Isn't it? If you don't set stop losses, Justin. Yes. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. When you guys spam join in the chat, that's like my reminder. So don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already. It's funny how you guys posted at the same time. So again, I really appreciate it when you smash a like, guys. It really helps, and it's free. So I really appreciate it when you do it. Um, so I wish you, when you smash a like, I wish you the very merries of Christmases already. So hit that subscribe as well if you haven't already. And if you're not a member yet, again, 2024 is coming up. Invest in yourself by becoming a member or by becoming a legend or by becoming a goat. Alrighty? So invest in yourself. Stop slacking. Stop losing monies. Okay? That's your let's go, Justin. You got stopped out at 99. Okay, yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Right. So yeah, the only other thing you could have done here, maybe CM was getting stopped out at 99, or maybe just putting that stop loss a bit higher, but then going back in as you're retesting the 200 and consolidating, right? Like retesting that 95 and bouncing. That would have been the only other difference. Christmas trees. 90. Back to 104. So yeah, that was a nice retest. I've said this 100 times already today. If this thing had a smaller float, ooh, this would be one of the stocks of the day. Hook. It might still be, but yeah, we'll see. At least this one's easy to scalp though, right? This one's easier to scalp because you know it's not gonna face plant on you. Well, maybe it's at the end of the day, but so. No, stopped up before and back in 99. Okay, you got back in at 99. Okay, very nice. Yeah. Okay, very nice. Okay, very nice. I like it. I like it. Oh, I also have to eat toast for Christmas. It's because Musty, you're in the green. Yeah, beautiful. Musty, I've told you already. You know what's working. You know what's working, Musty. You just don't like to listen to yourself. You know. You know what's working. Let's go, Justin. Thank you. You know exactly what's working. There goes DMK again. DMK is bouncing up the same level, Musty. You don't have PDT. Scalp the damn thing, right? But you're buying stocks hoping that you're right. Right? The market doesn't work like that. The market no care. right? I don't know why you buy. You're still holding the NXU stuff, aren't you? That's it, isn't it? I don't know why you bought that micro penny stock. You know. Anyways, um, 86. 86. Caribbean. I am not from the Caribbean. Seems like a beautiful place, though. I would like to visit. The food, oh my goodness, food. The food is amazing. I used to go to this place, and yeah, it's a Caribbean restaurant, and they had like the best rice and the best oxtail. The best. Oh my goodness, amazing. So he tends to get preachy a lot. Yes, it's still running even after the splits. JT Mullen. Yeah, steel drums. Yeah. Well, I have not set a stop loss. Yes, musty. Confession. Your sins will not be forgiven this time. Ready? Cool. But did make money. Let's go, Kel. Oh my goodness! Thank you for the updates. So is doing great. Hubby's doing great. Had to stay overnight in the hospital. It's all good. But you made some monies on P0. P0. Good job. What's that stock doing actually? Uh, PRZO. You sold already though, right? Yeah. Hopefully this one can stay above $1.50 or $1.45. $1.45. What's happening, Miss Lola? SXTP. Are you in the position? Let me know. If you have a specific question, let me know. In at 120, out at 187. Oh my goodness. High five. Good job. Good job. Good job. You didn't keep it overnight? Okay, nice. Good job. The woods are calling. I'll catch you all in Discords. Virus, have a wonderful day. See you. Enjoy the woods. Enjoy the woods. I need to go to the woods more. I like Virus's pictures are beautiful too. We don't have woods though. Well, we have woods, but we have snow. There's no way I'm going to the woods with the snow. Next thing you know. Anyways, SMFL failing a resistance. Big surprise? No. Look at that thing fall. Oh my goodness, guys. Ooh, that's nasty. That's ugly. Oh my goodness, look at that candle. Again, this is why you do not buy double tops, right? If a stock is failing at a level once, maybe don't buy the damn stock at the same level again, please, right? Not the first time, not the second time, right? If we fail there, be careful. Second time, third time. Surprise! Not, right? Do not buy resistance, please. That stock is wild though. Like we just went from 240 to 270, all over the place. Crazy. Yep, massive drop. But it's not a surprise drop, right? You know, we've mentioned this so many times, like how retail plays on psychology. Like retail reacts like it's psychology, right? Mullen is pumping. I knew it. Did we not say that earlier, guys? That we're trashing Mullen today. Mullen is gonna pump. I knew it. Can't really call this a pump though. But yep, Mullen broke out. Mullen is going up, guys. You can't really call this a pop though. Mullen is whatever. But anyways, um, yeah, right. So you know, if you're playing with a momentum name and it's constantly failing at the same level, you want to be very careful because at some point it's gonna drop. Nah, Rusty, yes, yes. Off the 150 support, yeah, that's good for now. That's good for now. 780? What do you mean? Yeah, I mean they should push it, push it for some Mullen puts. Push it. Yeah, I cannot wait to see what the Mullen chain looks like though after they update it. After they update it. Na, 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 na. There goes Mullen, 845. Oh my goodness, Dan is FOMOing into Mullen. FOMOing. So is Musty. Musty's in Mullen as well now. I'm not quite sure what the ratio is. I don't honestly don't really care for Mullen, or anything about Mullen, but yeah. So just the last load was 361. So you just have to divide it by the whatever the ratio was. They go, oh my goodness, Mullen. Wow. Pump it for puts. Pump it for puts. Look at DMK, guys. Look at DMK. Look at DMK. Look at that beauty. If you're still holding DMK, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding it. No. Look at that, 91. Oh my goodness, guys, DMK. That's funny. Wait. Okay, that's a video. Yes, JC. Yes, Laurie. Yes, JC. Yes, CM. Rigo. Yes, Blooming. Yes. I mean, you don't have to lots. Maybe don't FOMO. Maybe don't FOMO. Uh, C. Yes. GZ. Yes. Oh my goodness. Jan. Yes. So many of you guys. Yeah, just be careful. 91 is resistance. 91 resistance, and then obviously the last time we went to like 103. But yeah, again, you could have scalped this thing multiple times, right? This was the signal in Discord this morning, right? So in the Legends channel, right? You could have played that once, and then gone back in again, and then gone back in again, right? So yeah, and It's back to 89 cents. 89 pennies. What do you feel about SPA, Shannon? What's your position in SPA? I think someone asked a question earlier and I missed it. If I missed your question earlier, I'm sorry. Go ahead and ask again. Yeah, let me know what your position is. Oh, a SPA. I was like, what the hell is SPA? It's the S&P. What do you think about SPA and the levels, and what levels do you have to watch before it breaks down? Let me take a look quickly here. Oh wow, Mullen is still going. Highs of the day, guys. Dang. SPY. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. So you're asking what the S&P needs for a breakdown? Now let me look at a smaller time frame because I don't think the hourly is going to give me anything that I need. Not seeing that I need. So we kind of dipped before getting data this morning, and now we're back above 470, which is really good. Calls are printing. Yeah, Jameson, you picked up those calls yesterday. So I think if I was looking for anything that would indicate a potential breakdown, I'd be looking for like the lows from yesterday, right? I'd be looking for like 467.50, right? If we go below 467.15, then maybe we go for a bit more of a retracement, right? But yeah, yeah, yeah. 95 again. Hook hit 95 again and then bounced immediately. Right? So hook is bouncing. That's your second test and that's your second bounce. Double bottom now. Well, there's more to that, but that's your second test and then back to a dollar. You just got into DMK now, Kel. Okay. Well, hopefully, hopefully you didn't just buy resistance. The entry's a bit high from what we want, right? We wanted that below 70 or closer to 80, but suddenly you like Mullen. Well, I mean, if you got into Mullen and you're green, I'm sure you kind of maybe don't like Mullen, but you're happy that you're green. Happy that you're green, and then the S&P needs to get back above 476. Oh my goodness, Mullen. Mullen's at $9, guys. Wow. Imagine if I sent a Mullen signal in Discord. Imagine. Wow, 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 wow. Mullen went to $9. Okay, keep sending it, Mullen. At this rate, just go to 20 and give us a nice short. Yeah, it did. I was looking at that thing. I just wasn't sure if I wanted to. Yeah, off the 200 on the left hand side, right? So 7 7. Let's call it 780, even though it's a little bit lower. Let's call it 780. But yeah, that was a nice 200 curl a few minutes ago too. 780. I know, right, Greg? Yep. Oh my goodness, guys, look at Mullen. Mullen is pumping. Mullen is properly pumping. 950. If you format it, to be honest, if you format into Mullen, type in yes in the chat. Will be the Mullen signal. Yeah, that's a good point. If you format into Mullen, you have 4.4 shares. Mullen is halted up, guys. Oh my goodness. Mullen is halted up. Where's Pablo? I need that screenshot for Pablo. uh, oh my goodness. 81 to, okay, beautiful.
I should have seen that one coming.
Oh my goodness, that's funny, Musty. That's really that funny. I'm gonna have to use that one too. Nui? I won't touch it with someone else's monies. Yeah, no, I don't think I will ever be interested in Mullen unless it runs enough for me to like want to short it. Okay, that's for screenshots. Ski scoop. La, 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 la. Was accepted for Mullen at the evil forest. You guys need to you guys need to pay me. Okay, just just buy Mullen then and then yeah. Uh okay, cool. It's halted, yeah. It's just randomly halted. No, this is a halt. It's not a. Maybe they don't want it to keep pumping. Yeah. No. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Zella will catch some flames. You know. Yeah. So again, Kel, this is the issue with your entry. You're buying 88 cents as it's pushing back up, right? So the safer entry is closer to 80 to 76 for DMK. For DMK. No short shares available. Yeah, that's because the market makers will do what they want and then short it to the abyss, right? So, oh yeah, like watch them do an offering after hours. Oh my goodness, can you imagine, Musty? Could you hold Mullen and go to bed though? Like, if you buy Mullen, could you go to bed holding Mullen? Absolutely not. So if you're playing with Mullen, just be very careful. Anyways, so Yogi, did you get back in at 95 cents for hook? So 95 cents dipskis and then bounced back to 101. Let's go, lots. I like how you say a little monies. A little monies. Let's go. Congratulations. Good job. You sold at 101. Beautiful, Yogi. There goes 103 for Hook. There it goes. You want to see a funny video, guys, that Musty sent me? This is what happens when you get into a stock, right? And you don't have a stop loss.
Oh, I should have seen that one coming.
What does he say? 300. Let's go, Yogi. Let's go. Monies, monies, monies. Monies, monies. Let's go. I will to Mullen my those trees jumped out of nowhere. Oh, I should have seen that coming. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I see. Ooh, I should have seen that coming. Yes, interesting. Paper money only. That's okay, Wally. Keep practicing. Keep in mind what Josh said, though, right? If you're paper trading with outrageous monies, it doesn't help when you go back to playing with regular money. So play with something that you would normally play with. Yeah. He was holding Mullen without a stop loss.
Oh, I should have seen that one coming.
Oh my goodness, I could have seen that one coming. Yeah, no, we didn't see Mullen coming. That's for sure. Mullen is unhalted, by the way. So be careful. The tree believe in him. Yep. As well. Yeah. Yeah, Josh has made that point quite a few times. So, oh my goodness, Mullen is. Oh my goodness, guys. Mullen is ridiculous. Anyways, I think we should go watch something else because someone's gonna FOMO. Yeah, people do it all the time, like ski in areas like that. Yeah, when you go to the mountains, like the like nice little trails, but I've been to mountains where like I have to take my skis and walk off the damn mountain because I don't want to end up in the calling 911. Yeah, Mullen is very dangerous, very dangerous. Look at that thing. That thing just went from almost from $10 to $8.80, right? Very dangerous. So be careful, please. Uh, you would have $9.43. Yep, exactly. So be very careful. Anyways, moving on. If you invested $10,000 in Mullen in 2020, December 21st, 2022, you'd have $9. Dang. Sheesh. 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 Uh, Interesting. Nui? Nui Ui Gui? Minus 99.97. Yep. Can you imagine like looking at your broker and seeing $9 from $10,000? Oh my goodness, that's pain. That's the type of pain that you can't explain. Can't- you can't even buy a Big Mac. At least you can have ice cream. Well, you can have ice cream though. You can have a cone of ice cream, depending where you go. You can go to the dollar store, and even that is more valuable than holding Mullen at this point. Yeah, that thing broke down. You know, you could take that monies and go buy some YOLO options. One of these crazy ones, and hope that you get a miracle up 10,000% on those calls or puts. You know, you're way better off doing that actually than holding Mullen. Yep, way better off. Get a sandwich from the store. Can you buy a sandwich for $9? Hmm, interesting. We're kind of holding the VWAP here for SMFL, which isn't too bad. Why is Hook too slow, Hassan? Is because it has a massive supply, right? I know we've been watching this thing all day, hoping that it would go boomski, but the float is almost 80 million. 80 million, right? So it's a massive, massive float, right? A lot of pizzas to sell. So, yeah. So it's hard to move. Bigger float, hard to move. Smaller float, easy to move. I have up to. Oh, here we go, Hook. Come on, Captain Hook. Maybe this is the Captain Hook stock, guys, in Discord. Captain Hook. 105. Yeah, again, your entry was 95 cents on Hook, right? 95 cents. That was your play. 95 cents. Now we're back to 104 and playing stupid games. I'll take a look at Nui. Value is 917. Are you holding Mullen and Marie? I bet you that $900 is way better somewhere else, honestly. But way better somewhere else. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you're up 100% and the market is green, Musty. So, well, you were up 100%. So, okay, let me take a look at Nui Ui Gui. Yeah, looks nice, Kevin. Another one of these split names, right? You're wondering why AMC. I'll come back to this. You're wondering why AMC isn't crashing. I mean, it kind of is super slow, but it kind of is. It's at lows of the day, Musty. What more do you want from the stock? I'm waiting for the daily chart to load here. It's taking its sweet, 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 sweet time. Yeah, it's very close, isn't it? Yep, very close. The market is green today, though, so that's not really helping you, Musty. So, you're up 200% now on those puts. You're up 200% on those puts, and you're like, but why, why? See, Musty, stuff that's obvious like that. AMC going up, you know it's gonna go back down. Stop buying this rubbish, Musty. Stop buying rubbish. What are you doing in NXU? Rubbish. Uh, into the into the abyss, deeper into the abyss. Saying I'm stuck in the same trade as Mullen, but mine is up. Oh, but mine is up $10,000. Invested value What did you buy, Anne Marie? What did you buy that you invested $900 and it's up $10,000? What did you buy? Let me know. I want to see. Uh, yeah. Nui. Yeah, no, Kevin, that looks nice. Are you in it long? Jeff, the MOAS is not happening? No. Every time I see you, Jeff, I remember Survivor, so I need to watch Survivor. We have like 10 more minutes left, guys, and then we have to hop off and go back to Discord so I can go do one-on-ones. Alrighty. Oh, I see. Okay. Investor value, like for now. Okay, makes sense. Uh, let's go, Jameson. Let's go. Okay. Fire. Jameson, you become the scalp criminal. Scalp criminal, Jameson. Scalp criminal. Alrighty? No more slacking. Scalps. No big risk, Jameson. No big risks. Scalpies. In at 62 out of 71. Good job. So CM says out for the day. 2 out of 3 green trades. Still small position in hook. Thanks, Blaze. It's all coming together now. Let's go. I like that a lot. I like when we have, we have a conversation with someone and we talk and talk and talk, and then things start to come together. I think that's beautiful. CM, keep doing what you're doing because you're crushing it. Mullen just broke $10, guys. Mullen is pumping. 10.50 Mullen. CM, have a wonderful day. See you later. 10.60. Oh my goodness, Mullen. Oh my goodness, Mullen. Okay, again, did anybody FOMO into Mullen, guys? Did anybody FOMO into Mullen? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Uh, there you go. AMC all-time low. It just hit all-time lows. Nice. Oh my goodness. I'm so pissed that you can't get puts. Yeah. Oh, aggressive Mullen. Okay. You considering shorting Mullen? I don't think you can short Mullen. Mullen is halted up. $10.90. Where's Pablo, guys? Pablo's busy enjoying the holidays. Yeah, that's why it's pumping. Yeah. Yeah. No, I tagged him. AMC finally hit new lows, new all-time lows. Wow, look at that. Trash. It's just a matter of time before Mullen gets there. Yeah, exactly. That will change next week, and those shares will be available. Exactly, Josh. Oh my goodness, something doesn't feel right about Mullen here. Yeah, again, there's no shares available to short, right? So Mullen is halted up. Um, I'm waiting for Mullen HT signal. Let's go. No, no. No, no, no. You want 40? Yeah. Yeah, no, it's halted. Again, it's you can't short Mullen because they just did the split, right? So Captain Hook is like, yeah, thanks, but no thanks. I know how this ends. I know exactly how this ends. Yes, that was the goal. That was the goal. Uh, that was the goal. Too many times, yeah, on multiple stocks, like on multiple of the, like, anyways, I need to send that over. I need to send this over. Na, 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 na. I like that song. Na, 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 na. Newey's pushing nicely. Okay, yeah, no, yeah, Kevin, that was a nice play there, Kevin. Good job. Yeah, it's still going. Beautiful. Yeah, I think so. I think so, Jim. I think so. I need to upload. Has given a ETF. Okay. Hmm. Very nice. Yep. How do I do that? Okay, let me try uploading. Select. Select. You should have stayed in. No, you're fine, Kevin. You made monies, right? So you made monies. That's okay. Short sellers closed lost in 2023. Mm, yeah, these are usually the same people that turn around and make money somewhere else, though. JT. I just want to watch this video so I can see something in this video. So sorry that I'm playing this video so many times, but I just want to see something.
Trading is about probabilities. The truth is, if you're going to become a consistently profitable trader, you're going to have to become a really good loser. In fact, really cherish your losses, about being able to maintain small losses rather than having something exaggerate and go ballistic on you. So ultimately, what you're going to have to do to be able to become an elite trader, consistently profitable, is you're going to have to change your
Mullen is unhalted, guys? Oh my goodness. Mullen is at $12 now. Wow. Uh, wow, wow, wow. Choo, 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 choo. Mullen is on fire. Oh my goodness. Well, if you format into Mullen, you're happy for now. You're happy? Yeah, Dumpskis. In Mullen, and it's up to 66. Let's go. But it's been halted again. Yeah, see now you have some monies for for weekend ice cream, JT. I mean that's how it should be. Like if you're gonna play with Mullen, yeah, $50 maybe, right? So I think I've made 10 cents so far on Mullen. Shorting Mullen could break. Yeah, no, exactly. Like you cannot short Mullen anyways. So that's why Mullen is pumping because you cannot short it. You cannot short Mullen. So that's why the damn thing is exploding like that. Choo, 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 choo. I'm really interested to see like how high this thing goes. How much time do I have? Okay, I'm gonna have to hop off here soon. Na 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 na. Can you explain why you can't sell? Brian, is because they've just done a split, so your broker might take a few days to actually give you your shares, right? So first of all, you cannot sell Mullen for some people, and you cannot short Mullen. So the people that want to get rid of the trash, they're like, nope, can't sell it because my broker doesn't fully have it yet because they just did a split. I want to short Mullen. I cannot short Mullen, right? So that's why Mullen is kind of doing what it's doing. So yeah, yeah. No, you can't short because you cannot short, right? Not because you don't want to, because you can't. My average would have been 5,000. But yeah, like Mullen, if you were holding Mullen, like if you bought Mullen earlier this year, your average is $10,000. So even if Mullen goes to $100, you're in deep, deep doo doo red. You're deep doo doo red. For those of yeah. So be very careful. Be very, very careful. Would I touch Mullen? No. No thanks. How about no? It's suspended. No. Weibo says that all the time. They use the two words like just but yeah, there goes Mullen. Mullen is back to $12. JT's smiling. You bought Mullen a year ago? Yeah, your average is rubbish. The act. Mullen is a noun. No way, really? Is that actually a thing, or did you edit that, Troy? Mullen. No way. I can type. It's an edit? Okay, fine. You got me so excited. I was so excited. Mullen is pumping though. You think I was so excited to look at it. Is an anti-Mullen from the from the dawn of time? Oh, I hate Mullen. I'm gonna damn it on Mullen. This time, no ceiling. Oh my goodness, Dan. This time there's no ceiling on Mullen. Mullen went to $13, guys. Do red is the red as you can get. When Blaze is typing it, he's secretly buying Mullen. Yeah, it's Christmas is coming up, right? There's no way I buy Mullen to go ruin my Christmas. If I ruin my Christmas by buying Mullen, oh my goodness, it'll be the worst Christmas ever. All time high is 13 million on Mullen. Yeah, like if you were holding Mullen before today, this means nothing to you. This means absolutely nothing. The only time you'd be happy on with like holding Mullen is if today you bought Mullen when it crashed to 6.95 or something like that, and then broke above $8. Like the breakup of $8 was quite nice, right? Like it's a breakout, right? But don't let the Grinch steal Christmas from you, though. Mr. Lasky, what's your average on Mullen? Let's fight, but jokingly, let's have fun. Yes, way you piss on Mullen. It's let's go. What's your average on Mullen, Mr. Lasky? Is it $1,000 or is it 1 million? I will trash Mullen till the end of time because Mullen is trash. I will trash it till thy kingdom come, right? Because the company is trash and the stock is trash. Alrighty. So AMC needs to go. Your average is $98. See, I watch like there's really no, your average is $98 on Mullen. 98. You need Mullen to go to $98. Oh my goodness. And tell me why we shouldn't trash it, right? We're not trashing. We never trash the stock because people are losing money. We never want anybody to lose money. We trash the stock because we want to keep you away from rubbish, and also because the company doesn't look out for people, right? Not once has this company looked out for you. Not once. So yeah, be very careful. We want you to win. If it goes to $98, that would be very good for you because you made your money's back, right? The higher Mullen goes, it's good. But just be careful, please. Be very careful. I need to go back and watch that. Interesting. My average is 8, and I'm just watching it right now. No, like Jay, yeah. If your average is $8, you're very happy. Yeah, if you can get half back, that would be amazing. Well, I hope you get half back. Hope you get some monies back. We don't want anybody losing monies. It benefits nobody, But we will still trash it though. GMK is ready. It is not ready. It's ready to go to the abyss. That's what it's ready to do. Right. So hopefully our profits were taken up there already. Scalpies. Alvin, MSAI is curling. Yeah, it's curling up the demand zone. It's a double bottom at 740. So 740 curls, Alvin. Not too bad. Resistance right where you're sitting at though, 850. So you need to clear 850 and then potential boom skis. Captain Hook is just, resistance it's just everywhere. Keep it through the end of the day. Jay, set a stop loss. If you bought at $8, put a stop loss at $9, $8, $7, $10, $11, wherever you want to set a stop loss, and then make the decision at the end. Alrighty, but for now, I mean, your average is not too bad, so it's not like you have a the average is well above the hundreds. So I know, right, Wes? Yeah, money getting burnt by some China scam. Exactly, exactly. Still trading? I don't know, honestly, Wes. I don't know why they let these things trade. Know why Beats is running? Any news? Not that I'm aware of. Beats. Heartbeat. No idea why it's running. I don't see any news either. Bet you it's just yeah, it's a technical double bottom bounce. Yeah, beautiful, right? That's a beautiful chart, right? It's a double bottom. It's in the demand zone. It's a pop, right? So it's just a technical push of support. So nice. You just sold Mullen. Congratulations. Yeah, Mullen is still fighting. Like it's still going. Did you sell at $13? Wow, look at that, JT. You made 77 from 50. Congratulations. And it's still going. Wow. Yeah, beautiful. La la, 13. Yeah, no, it's going for $14 now. 13.50. Oh my days. Yeah, potentially, but yeah, Sebastian, there's no catalyst. When there's no catalyst, then you always expect it to be like a pump and dump, but it's a technical bounce. So play the chart instead. Yeah, no, that's okay, JT. You made good money on 50. You made good money. So yeah. Oh wow, that thing is flying. Uh, among the investment on let's go, Jeff. Let's go. Yeah, let's keep crushing it. Still waiting for you to become a member, Jeff, so we can talk about Survivor. You're still slacking. Welcome, Sebastian. Yep. Yeah, I think it's a perfect setup. Some people are holding. If you were holding, like majority of people that are holding Mullen, they're holding before the split happened, right? So those people cannot. Most of those people cannot sell it. That's a problem, right? Well, they've gone through the split process. You can't even short it either, right? So that thing has all the ingredients to push up, but at some point, oh my goodness, get these Mullen puts ready, please. Get these Mullen puts ready. Get these Mullen. All I want for Christmas is Mullen at what? What number do we want, guys? All I want for Christmas is Mullen to pump so we can enter it. So, 69? Yes. Yes, yes. Mullen is halted up, guys. All I want for Christmas is for Mullen to keep going until the options are available to buy puts. I want some YOLO puts on Mullen. Keep going. Wi-Fi back. You're feeling the FOMO now, JT. Feeling the FOMO. Every time we're about to hop off, something always does this. So let's do 5 more minutes. I'm going to buy mountains of $1 puts. Josh, oh, keep sending it. Those puts are not available yet, so that's the problem. Not available yet. Let me check again. The last time I checked, they weren't available, so I don't think they're going to be available till I don't know when. Even then, though, I wouldn't short. I don't think I would buy Mullen puts now. I would let Mullen do its thing and keep pumping, and hopefully keep pumping tomorrow if it does. And then at some point, it's gonna top out at a nice, ridiculous price, and then we can go from there at a nice, ridiculous price. All I want for Christmas. Yeah, not till next week, likely. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, not interested in Mullen puts for now. The bid is below $14, by the way. So mentioned. take a look. Yeah, see, like they don't have anything worth your time. Nothing worth your time. Yeah, so we have to come back next week, see when they're available. Not often you see a company valued at less than zero, but Mullen has managed to do that. Yeah, they have. Yes, they have. Yeah, there's nothing on the chain there. Alex, I know, right? Mullen is pumping for 75%. 75% brings back memories. Well, yes. Again, don't fall into this thing. Bring back, yeah, don't fall into this thing, please. Otherwise, you end up at the bridge. When you're garbage, but you think you're better than everyone else. That's Mullen. Oh my goodness. See, Pastor Samuel says Mullen, your average is 340 for Mullen. $340, guys. That's what it is. Like everybody has a ridiculous average for Mullen. Target for blue. Yeah. The only issue with for blue is yeah, blue. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Slow thrusting. Yeah, right. Everybody has a crazy average on Mullen. $100, $350. So this Mullen at $14 makes no difference to anybody. Zero. Unless you bought it today and then you're happy. Hmm. Yeah, Blues had a nice little pop there, but yeah, I would just watch it for now, Sebastian. Yeah, 400. Yeah, they're like the ridiculous price targets. Well, ridiculous like entries for Mullen. Yeah, like $1,200 to break even for Mullen. Mullen needs to go up and go up and go up and go up. Mm. Yeah, I mean at least the bids for Mullen are still green though, as it's halted. The bid is at 14.19. Nah, Alex, I'm not touching Mullen. There goes Mullen. You can play with Mullen if you want. I'm not. I just want Mullen to keep going so I can buy puts next week. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Anyways, question for you guys in the chat, right? Yes or no, right? Does anybody in the chat, do you guys believe that Mullen will be above $10 by the end of the year? Right? Just type in yes or no. Yeah, no, they haven't, Dan. So we have to wait till next week for Mullen. Mullen is pumping. Oh my goodness. There's no shares to shorts. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness. La, la, la. Oh, yeah, yeah. Nope, 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 nope. Hell no. Right? So, yeah, like Mullen is halted again, guys. 1544. So, yeah, I see you guys are pumping Mullen. Oh my goodness. Oksana? Yep, from $7 to $15. No shares to shorts. The shorts are panicking. Just wait till China wakes up and finds Mullen. So the bid for Mullen is $16, by the way. $16. From the Momo scanner, I don't know. You'd have to take a look. before the bridge of the exactly, right? So people can sell, people can short, no puts to buy. Mullen has a free, free roads, free highway to pump for now until it gets entered. Until it gets entered. You're in Mullen at $11. Yeah, good job. Good job for now. Just make sure you don't end up going to the bridge, please. Email to trash. Okay, I need to check my one calendar. No. Hmm. Cool. Permissions. Okay. It's giving vibes, Justin. Nice. Okay, I see. Blue and beats. Yeah, blue's done well. It's been on the scanner a few times, but then you have resistance at the supply there. So be careful. I don't think we're gonna get another on halts for Mullen because I do have to go. But we're gonna be in Discord though. This was fun. I'm still on. Yeah, I'm leaving now because 5 minutes. But I'll leave you with a Mullen update. Mullen is at $16 now, so on halt and fly. But yeah. Already M. Interesting. Take care, Pepe. Mullen is what? Mullen is at $16. Rubbish. Look at that push. Oh my goodness. 56? Is it actually 56? Okay, let's give it 2 minutes then, and then I'll hop off. Was there news? No, Mullen has done a split, right? Mullen was at pennies, scam, right? And then they've done a massive split, and the stock opened at $8 and then hit all-time lows at $6.95, all-time lows, right? And then so now that the people that are holding Mullen can sell it, or there are no shares available to short because it's a brand new split, right? And it's a super low float, it's pushing up, right? So maybe some people are covering, I don't know, but either way, yeah. What a ridiculous! I mean, to do a split, Josh, and go from like from the teens, 10 cents, 11 cents to $8. Do you know how much of a split? Oh my goodness. Anyways, uh, if you buy today, you can sell today. But I think people that have been holding Mullen, some people are having a hard time selling, right? So yeah, abandonment. I'm sorry, just become a legend. There goes Mullen. Mullen is unhalted, guys. Mullen is at $16, $17. Oh my goodness! Wow. So again, make sure you secure your monies when you fall into that stuff. Make sure you secure your monies and don't end up at the bridge, please. Don't you end up at the bridge, please. If someone tells me that the diamond handing bag holding Mullen, I will find you. I will find you, and I will take your computer away, and you will never be allowed to play stonks again. Look at that thing go! Oh my goodness! It's going for $18, guys. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna. Wow. Oh, what if they buy another computer? Then you wasted monies, you know. Next month for anyone holding the thing, absolutely, right? So, I mean, if you're scalping it, you're happy, but be very careful, right? Again, oh my goodness, I think it's going for 19. Wow. I keep these. I keep these as records, you know. Nah, nah. Dang. When 20. I mean, at this rate, you're gonna see 20 in 2 seconds. La, la. Wow, 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 wow. AAGR new solutions. Okay. Got it. You got out quick. You did a scalp and you got out quick. Okay, that's not bad. If you're holding Mullen, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding Mullen, type in yes. I want to see all the people that have FOMO so I can keep track. When this thing eventually goes to the abyss, if you're holding Mullen, type in yes. Not gonna lie, that's a pretty nice run though. Right? So set stop losses, protect your monies. We know what Mullen is capable of. We know what Mullen is capable of. Please, please scalp Mullen if you want to. You just got in. Oh my goodness, scalp Mullen. Paul, what's your entry price? What's your entry price? Scalp Mullen if you want to, but please protect your monies. Please, 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 please. I don't want to be like talking about this next week and Mullen is at $10, $2. I'm being generous. And then you're like, okay, what do I do with Mullen? I will slap you. You got in at $18, pal. At least you're green. Please, please protect your monies. Ready? Be very careful. Be very careful. Vineyard, you've been holding? Okay. Be very careful, please. La, 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 la. Fifth. There you go. His hand's about to sell 1 million shares. Seriously, Jeff. Seriously. The CEO is waiting. Everybody knows this is a scam. Please, please, please scalp it, but please protect your monies. Don't fall for the stupid thing again, please. Right? Play the technicals. Play, play, play. Don't end up falling for anybody that's holding Mullen before today. The average is most likely like not even hit yet, right? So but as soon as those people can sell, if Mullen is pumping, as soon as they can sell, oh my goodness! And as soon as they can sell, and people can buy puts, and the market makers can short it, and we can short it. Can you imagine the chaos? Yes, investor page. Let me take a look. Minus 99.99. That's pretty funny. I'm not going back to think. No, no. Good job. Um, good job. Good job. Are we 16, 16, 17? I know, right? Clouds. I wish we could do GIFs on YouTube. I'm sure someday we will be able to. Yeah, exactly, Josh. It's up, but you're still. Oh my goodness, Ryan. Imagine a world where a stock is up 100% and you're still down 99 on it. You know, that's wild. You know, up is up 100, stock is up 110%, yet you're still down 99%. Oh my goodness, that's painful. That's very painful. So yeah, be careful, please. Hopefully, one of them is a crashing car, clouds. It's so painful. It's comical. It really is. It really is. Well, hopefully, when we come back for Power Hour, Merlin is still a thing, and we can have fun with it. But we do have to leave it for now, though. I have to go do these legend calls. So again, smash a like before you go, guys. Thank you very much for today. Let's we're gonna be in Discord, so see you guys in Discord, and we will be back later. Alrighty, be safe. Don't do any crazy stunts, please. Alrighty, guys. Spy's looking weak. Power hour, maybe. Those who are likely having a rough day, I bet you. Oh yeah, let me take a look at stock tweets. Stock tweets. How about you? Let me take a look before we go. Alrighty, let's take a look at Mullen. Oh wow, Mullen is at the top. I don't even need to search it. Mullen is at the top. Let's see what the comments are. I don't want to log in. Leave me alone. Easy. Look at this, guys. Easy. 999. Easy. Is this real life? Be careful, people, that person says. Please dilute David. Get your 7 share count to 7 million. Oh my goodness. Everybody knows this is a joke. Why is this POS going up? There's no positive comments. 1 share I had left just doubled in value. The 1 share I had. Why is this going up? Nobody knows. It's done, people. That was good lord. Nothing. La, la. Wow. Anyways, yep. Yeah, Mullen is halted at $15, guys. Yep, we warned you. Please, 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 please. Mullen is at $15 now, and that's just the beginning. In the beginning, there was Mullen. In the end, Mullen was at zero. Yeah. Yep. Anyways, yeah. Honestly, yeah. I don't know, Josh. Oh yeah, that's right too. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, I have to run. I'm late already. Have a wonderful afternoon, guys. Again, smash a like before you leave. Right. So hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, you want to come join us in Discord. Come join us. Set up a correctly. Alrighty. So if you want to join us and wait, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting for a second. What am I waiting for? Let me take a look. Need to add this down to the list. Add this to the list. I want to look at the daily actually. I'm gonna set an alert for PXMD on a break. Oh wow, okay. The spread is a little bit ridiculous, but I'm gonna set an alert. Oh wow. Oh, let's go. He's gifting the memberships. uh, let's go, let's go. PXMD. So yeah, keep an eye on PXMD there. If it decides to give us a breakout, it's actually done well. Let's go. Oh my goodness, Josh. Oh my goodness, Santa. Well, hopefully, you never get one. No, you will not. If you're a member, you don't get one. Rigo, you have to be a member to join Discord. I'm waiting for my thing to update. Let's go, Josh. Thank you very much, Josh. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Father Christmas, guys. Father Christmas. Let's go. Let's see if again you have to be a member to join Discord, Rigo. So Frank finally got one, guys. Frank has been asking for days, Josh. Frank finally got one. So the only person that's left is cool, calm, and collected. Oh my goodness. Okay, sounds good. Josh opening the border. Is Santa, is that you? Yes, go. Yeah, keep an eye on PXMD. Alrighty. Josh, Frank, congratulations. I would like the gifted membership, Ray. Yeah, I don't get to pick who gets them. Josh doesn't get to pick either. It would be amazing if you could pick, actually. I don't know why they don't do that. Like, you should be able to pick who gets the membership, Whatever. Anyways. Oh, yeah, PXMD just fired the alert as well. So, again, make sure you put PXMD on the watch list. Can you send me the link to become a member? Rigo, click the link at the bottom there. Click the join link. So if you want to become a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. The link at the bottom from Nightbot and sign up for the level that says Legend is your best bet, or the level that says Discord community, or the Goats level. Alrighty. So yeah, click the link at the bottom. There we go. And if you got gifted a membership, congratulations. Right. So click this link at the bottom of the chat. This new link at the bottom of the chat, the yellow link. You were a member before. You're not a member now, Rigo. Right. Your name is gray in the chat, right? I don't know. Yeah. So you have to become a member. No, that's okay, Josh. No, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Honestly, I don't know how you keep doing it, but no, that's okay. It's thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I think if you got a free membership, you should be very grateful and alrighty. So, thank you, Josh. Yeah, your credit card expired. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I see. Yeah, so you just have to go re-sign up again with the new one, Rigo, and then you should be good to go. And then once you sign up for the new level, just you can even copy the link and use the link later. But it's not going to let you into Discord unless you're a member. So again, congratulations if you got a free membership. No, your payment doesn't go through with your card. Yeah. Um, let's make 2024 the year of prosperity together. Together, let's go. We will crush it, Josh. Crush it. So yeah, again, if you got a free membership, click the link at the bottom of the chat, and also keep in mind you will have limited membership stuff, right? So you won't have access to all the fire things. If you need to upgrade, upgrade with the link already, and yeah, and whatnot. So Rigo, when you join, just use that link at the bottom or message me in Discord. Alrighty, Josh, thank you very much again. See you in Discord. We'll be back for Power Hour. Mullen 2024. Mullen is unhalted, guys. Mullen is back to 17. Mullen is playing games. Alrighty. See you guys later. Much love all. Be safe. And see you guys later. Bye, guys. See ya. See ya. See ya. Bye, y'all. Bye, bye.